Welcome back to ICT trading concept. How are you all? Hope everyone is cool. So we had a news around 8:30 PPI, core PPI. So that is the news run from core PPI. You can see it has taken this sell side liquidity, that sell side liquidity, also this low, create this fair value gap from 15-minute chart. Then right now price is over here. I would love to come here in dollar index. This is the daily fair value gap. If you remember, what happened? Chart is closing. Second. Okay, there is no issue with internet. I guess it is a problem with the chart because before starting the live streaming, it was also like. By the way, guys, can you hear me? Yes. Okay, over here that is the daily fair value gap. This two blue line is the daily fair value gap over here. Okay, so I told that if this fair value gap is broken, market close above this fair value gap, then market will go for that buy side liquidity. Otherwise, market will keep going lower for this sell side liquidity. That was my expectation. Primarily, that was my expectation. So around the news, market came here, trade that daily fair value gap, inversion fair value gap, maybe. Then it is going lower. So looking at this, what to say, I mean the dollar index, full to say that market is going for the sell side liquidity now. So I will go to hourly chart over there and over here. So this is the new sell side liquidity. Maybe market will take this sell side liquidity. If it go toward that sell side liquidity, NQM should go higher. NQM, I'm expecting that it will go higher as it has taken most obvious sell side liquidity from there and there, all taken. It should expand higher toward that buy side liquidity, depending on that dollar index, because it's like, what the doing that? Okay. Is there any problem with dollar index? I don't know why, but this dollar index actually not working. You can see it's just getting freezed. Now it is also not working. Is anyone facing the same problem? I don't have any problem with here in Nasdaq or any other tab, but whenever I'm just opening this dollar index, it is just getting frozen. So if anyone has any idea, please let me know that why it is going to happen like that way. Even in my phone, it is just getting freezed. And see, you can wait for it to become responsive or exit the page. Okay, gonna exit the page. What the? I don't know what happened with this dollar index, so I'll just let it go. Instead of that, I will stay here in Nasdaq. So far, I'm bullish for, sorry, I'm bearish for dollar index and I'm bullish for Nasdaq. Now both of them can go toward the same way, I mean same direction can be triggered, but so far market has taken the most obvious sell side liquidity from 15-minute chart and also from hourly chart. There is no sell side liquidity left for Nasdaq, so it should go for the buy side liquidity. Now there is another matter. Actually we have another matter, and that is actually the CPI. Tomorrow we have the CPI. So for same problem, doing the same. Oh, okay, Ahmed Mustafa, thank you brother. Same problem. Oh, okay, so it's not my problem. It's maybe some kind of problem with the trading view, I guess, because my internet is perfectly open. Okay. Trading view DX will work. I don't want to do that. Just remember over there that sell side liquidity for dollar index is my target. So if market go for that sell side liquidity for dollar index, it should expand higher for the buy side liquidity. Now, can I frame a trade from there for for buy for buying the Nasdaq? It's highly risky because uh, there is no higher time frame anything over there, right? So here I have a very nice wick from the news candle, but the news candle is actually not perfect to keep that in your analysis. The news candle is always kind of gap. Okay, this is fully a gap. So I actually don't like to mark the news candle, but still I don't have any other anything else. Okay, over here you can see from yesterday here. So right now price is just like this, nothing at all. Where market will go, I just have no idea. But looking at dollar index, it's clear that market maybe go for that buy side liquidity. At the same time, as I told, tomorrow is CPI. So if market go and take that buy side liquidity, trust me, CPI's target will be all of this sell side liquidity. This low, that low, this low, finally that low. So all of these relatively equal lows will be the target for CPI. I really would love to see that market will go for that buy side liquidity, and it will, even if it fails to take that buy side liquidity today, it will reach around inside this new week opening gap at least. Okay, so I'm expecting that market will go for whole day, it will be bullish. That's my expectation. It can be consolidate. Everything can happen today. The reason is tomorrow is CPI, so it has to take the liquidity. I mean, it has to keep some liquidity for tomorrow. So my primarily expectation is market will go for that buy side liquidity. I'm bullish for today, and finally tomorrow by using CPI, market will take those sell side liquidity, and it's very clean sell side liquidity. I don't know you can see it or not. This low and that low, they're relatively equal lows. If you just ignore all of this, all of other sell side liquidity, no problem, but this sell side liquidity is too clean. This low and that low, that is very clean. So that should be target for tomorrow if market can go for that buy side liquidity today, or if it left that buy side liquidity today like that way and stay over here inside this new week opening gap, or it keep consolidating like yesterday. Yesterday was a very nice consolidation day. Okay, so you can see it was a very nice consolidation. So I will talk about little bit over here because I have tweeted it on my Twitter, so I will talk about that. I mean, uh, what is that? Your friend Powell will speak at 10. My friend will speak. Let me check. Is he my friend? I didn't see anything. Yeah, today is Tuesday, so yeah, Fed Chair Powell speak at 10. That means obviously we are seeing the consolidation. So be careful. It's gonna be a very nice consolidate day. Okay, I believe so. So let's see how it reacts. But so far, this bearish parabolic from 15 minutes. Oh man, Powell is my friend. Ah, that was a nice comment, brother. Habibi. We will see how it reacts with this bearish parabolic, but I believe that market will be consolidated. If it left that buy side liquidity open like that way, then tomorrow around 8:29, market will go higher first. It will take the buy side liquidity, then 8:30, boom. This is gonna be the what to say? I mean the news tomorrow. If market left that buy side liquidity open like that way, okay. As we have the Powell speak, market has more probability to consolidate around into this area. Okay, this parabolic gap, see this 15-minute parabolic gap and this hourly parabolic gap, price will be inside this range. If it happens, then this is going to be happen tomorrow around 8:29 and 8:30. Now this is a really hard time to trade. You have to agree with me, okay, because looking at this price action, it's really difficult to trade. Nothing is precise. Market is just doing something bullshit in my opinion, and I'm not convinced by all of this run over here. even yesterday and today. So in this type of situation, if you find a trade, maybe a profitable trade, okay, a winning trade, close your chart. Just close your chart. Don't try to take another entry. If you take a losing trade, maybe you can try one more time, so two times. If you are wrong, just close your chart, because this is not a perfect or ideal time to trade. Now it was not like this before. I don't know what is difference in this year from February to until now. There is no precision. There is nothing called good price action until now from February. Okay, in January, basically we see the weird price action around in January, but this year in January we have seen that very, very, very nice. I mean price action. Okay, but from the February, believe it or not, okay, for me it is just a bullshit price action. Okay, just until now it's just unbelievable, very difficult to trade. I believe that very soon it's gonna be smoother, but I don't know when it is going to happen. Okay, if you ask me something like here, when market came here, take all of this liquidity, trade this 50-minute last fair value gap, went higher, went there. You see this fair value gap over there? No, I'm not interested to take my entry when it tapped over there to that fair value gap for the first time. I'm not interested to take that entry. But when market come back again, took that low, went higher. See this down close candle over there, that down close candle. This is my perfect order block. So I will mark this order block. I would take entry over here. So that would be my entry. My stop loss will be just below this low over here, just below that low, around that area, below that low, and I will believe that market will go and close this fair value gap perfectly until that low from 1 minute chart. It will close that fair value gap. I'm not brave enough to push my button over there now. Now you can see that market, yeah, market didn't hit me, stop me out, but trust me, I am not brave enough to take that entry from that order block. See market come back again, came here in this fair value gap one more time. It's not, it should not be happen. It should not be happen. When market trade this fair value gap for the first time, went higher, went lower, take this low and that low, the relatively equal lows or obvious liquidity, it has done its job with this fair value gap. It's already done. Okay, so when it's done, it should not come back again into this fair value gap, never ever. But it did it. Okay, so I'm afraid to push my button around that order block. It's perfect for me, but now I'm afraid to push my button to that order block. Instead of that, I'll just let the price go over there. If I would love to trade, I will better wait for a 15-minute bullish fair value gap. If market can make a 15-minute bullish fair value gap, then it will trade the bullish fair value gap, then I will be interested to take a buy. Otherwise I have no courage, I have no braveness, okay, to push my button in this area. Now you can say, brother, it worked perfectly even over there, but I'm talking about the precision, brother. Okay, so the precision, market should not come back over here to this fair value gap. How do I know that? It's called experience in my life. Whatever I'm doing here, I'm just watching the chart most of the time. Okay, so in my experience told me that it should not, let me remove it, it should not come back again to this parallel gap. So when it come back over there, I'm not comfortable, I'm not feeling comfortable to push my button, I mean, in any kind of situation over there. So all I will do, I will wait for a bullish parallel gap first from 15-minute chart. If I get that, then market trade the bullish parallel gap from 1 minute chart. If it give me a perfect setup toward that buy side liquidity, then I'll be interested to push my button. Otherwise I will just see and let everything go. Okay, if okay, okay, what it is this, okay, that would be a nice t-shirt. Powell is my friend. Bro, but 1 minute body close at the C below of that, right? I was thinking bearish then. uh you should not think about the bearish, brother. The reason is, first you have to think the liquidity. Where is the liquidity? So if you see, market has taken the most obvious two liquidity level. I told you to mark them yesterday, and both of them are very clean. Okay, this was the strongest liquidity, this was the perfect clean liquidity. Market has taken both of this liquidity, trade this parabolic gap. PPI, CPI, uh, FOMC, they have kind of the same kind of, these news are almost same. Okay, so first move is the fake move, the real move comes after the first move. PPI, CPI, PMI, FOMC, all of them are kind of the same kind of uh, pattern they follow. First move always the fake move, second move is the real move. I hope that you'll understand, brother. Okay. So that's all. And by the way, guys, please don't try to predict the CPI, because trust me, in CPI, most of the time your stop loss is not going to work. So you maybe you took this entry. Okay, so market is over there, so you take the entry over there. That is your stop loss. If you're right, that is the run toward the CPI. You are profitable. Maybe you will be able to get 100, 200 handle, no problem. If you are wrong, maybe market actually real move happened against your target. So this way, here 20 handle is your stop loss, but trust me, you will take at least near about 50 on handle. Okay, so if the run come here more higher, maybe it come here. Okay, so you will see that your stop loss was for $20, sorry, 20 handle, but you take a loss for $100, 100 handle. Okay, because in this type of news, that is kind of gap. Okay, if you go to 1 second chart, 5 second chart, you will see very big gap. So gap doesn't hit the stop loss. So you will see in lower time frame, here is the market, then market is over there, there is a gap, so you will take a huge loss. That's why don't ever try to catch the news like CPI, then FOMC 2 p.m. news. Please don't try to catch them. Instead of that, just let the market come down first, then try to enter into the market. That's my advice. If you want, you can you can follow. Okay, otherwise you can just ignore, no problem. Crush more tomorrow. Hello, brother. Hey, Dio. How are you, brother? Shubhangshu Gupta. DXY. I talked about DXY already. DXY should go for that sell side liquidity. I have marked the sell side liquidity. I don't know what happened. I mean, not only me, but some of you are also facing the same problem for DXY. It's just getting jammed. Let me try one more time if I can. Okay. No, still it's, see, nothing is working. Look, I'm clicking my mouse, nothing is working. So I guess there is some problem over there for DXY. I don't want to stay over there. So guys, before going further, please consider me a thumbs up. 100 more than 100 people are watching. I got 19 likes. Uh, it's really so small, too small. Okay, so please consider some likes to me. T40 seems to be at their top with no more energy. Okay, was that FTSE and DE40? What's that, brother? I really don't know. 18304. 18304. Can be, brother. All I told you, if I would love to take an entry, first market has to make a bullish parabolic from 15 minute chart. Right now, I would love to mark this bearish parabolic from 15 minute chart over here. Here, okay, this is the bearish parabolic from 15 minute chart. So market is trading over here. See, the body didn't close above the constant crossment yet. So while I would love to see that market will left some portion open over there, so there, and just for here, for example, if it can make this type of a bullish parabolic gap over there, then I will try to frame a buy setup from that bullish parabolic gap. Otherwise, I'll just let go. I don't know what I'm going to do today. But yeah, I will just wait and wait. I will go for the perfect setup, then I will see. Okay. You're right about FTSE and DE40. I really don't know what's them. What are they? Hello, bro. I really don't know, brother. Me too. Yeah, it's not working. Is working, bro. Oh, okay, your one is working, but I don't know. My one is not working. What's wrong with that? I really don't know. Same. Yeah, Gupta. It's kind of, I guess, the trading view problem or something like that. It is also other charts with problems. Uh, it can be the trading view problem, I guess. I don't know. But so far it's good with a Nasdaq, and as I'm a Nasdaq trader, so I will stay over here. So far I know that dollar index is falling. It's enough for me to stay in this Nasdaq chart. So I will try, and depending on this news as well, as I told you that first move is the fake move, and that fake move has taken the most obvious liquidity. Trade this 50-minute last parallel gap, so it should keep going higher. We have Fed Chair Powell speak at 10, so I'm believing that, I'm expecting that market is gonna be very difficult to trade today. As I told you long time ago, I'm really a noob when it's all about Fed Chair Powell. This friend always put me into the consolidation. Most of the time, 90% of the time, he puts me into the consolidation. And if I put into the consolidation, it made my blood pressure high. So I really try to avoid the Fed Chair Powell speak. Most of the time, I try to avoid him. And what to do? I have nothing to do. The way I talked about this order block, I have explained that things, that why I don't like the price action over here. Though it didn't hit my stop loss, I agree with you, but still I'm not I'm not feeling comfortable when I see this type of bad price action. So in my opinion, this whole price action is should not be there. This price action. Okay, let me change the color, blue. So this price action should not be there. Should not be there. Okay, it should keep going higher until the low. It has to touch the low of that parallel gap. It should have touched that low. Now, I really don't encourage you to push your button or trade in this type of situation. The best option, yeah, I know that if you can say that, brother, I would love to take entry over there and maybe you will close it over there 27 handle. It's huge. In my opinion, that is risky. Okay. Respectively. Okay. You can Germany Stock Exchange. Oh, okay, guys. Thank you, brother. I don't see them. My charts keep freezing up. Ignore the chart, brother. Ignore the chart, Jerry. How do you trade when Paul speaks? I don't trade. I avoid them. Adi, Adi Alia, brother. I have no idea how to trade Petcha Paul speak. The news trade, yeah, I sometimes I catch the CPI move, not the 830 move, but most of the time 829 move. Okay, I try to catch them. Yeah, sometimes I do that. I know it's perfectly gambling. I agree with you, but as I'm 80% time I'm right, so I try to catch 829 move. But then PMI, PPI, CPI, FOMC, other news, I can trade them. Okay, I believe that I can trade them. Even if it is a very small trade, I will be able to do that. But Fed Chair Powell, it leads the market into the consolidation. Now, in the consolidation, trading is really so difficult. But if it is volatile consolidation, then it's gonna be very difficult. If it is low volatility consolidation, then maybe sometimes it is I'm able to do that, but I try to ignore the picture Powell. I try to ignore him. So overall, I'm bullish. Okay, so I will try to frame a bullish setup, and because I have already explained, depending on of all of my expectation, market is so far it's cool, and you can see it left a lot of buy side liquidity here as well. All of this buy side on my left, okay, on my left over here. So you see this side, that side, they are relatively equal highs. this high has made this relatively equal highs more stronger. So far it's clean bullish structure or bullish setup for me. I would love to go for the bullish setup, but as we have the Fed chair Powell speak at 10, so I will wait until 10 and I will see if everything is cool. Okay, I am going with all of you guys. I'm trying to go with you guys, and if I get something good, I will take my entry. Otherwise, I will just keep seeing the market. That's all. So guys, please don't forget to give me likes. Still, I didn't get that much like. More than 100 people are watching, but I'm a very small YouTuber. Okay, guys, if you don't support me, how can I grow, brother? How can I grow? Just just tell me that, okay? All I ask for just a like, nothing else. Maybe sometimes subscriber. Even I don't ask for the membership as well now. It's been a long. I don't ask for the membership as well. So all I ask for a free thumbs up and subscriber. Now, if you don't support me, who is gonna support me? I'm not from USA, so no one like the famous YouTuber who are actually famous. I saw that uh, some of them actually uh, push other people. Okay, so I have no one who is gonna push me except all of you guys. So consider a thumbs up for me. Just it's free. Okay, I'm asking for that. I hope that it's not a big uh, expectation from all of you guys because it's all free. I mean, it's for free. So just close the comment and give me a thumbs up. Come back to the comment box. That's all, brother. 9 a.m. candle, 1 minute candle. I mean, when I saw closed below the CE, I was bearish. Why that didn't work? I was away, so I don't know you answered my question. Thanks. Okay, I gave you the answer, brother. But okay, let me tell you one more time. See this run at 8:30. That is PPI run. This news, that means PPI, CPI, PMI, FOMC, they actually follow a pattern, and that pattern is the first move is gonna be your fake move. So when it fall, it's gonna be the fake move. The real move just come after the news. For FOMC, we have to wait 30 minutes because the real move comes around 220 to 340. Sorry, not 340, 350. For FOMC statement, okay, so around the statement we get the real move, but for PPI, CPI, PMI, immediately we get the same thing. Okay, so if you just go previous price action, whenever you will see this type of move in CPI, PPI, PMI, you will just immediately after that you will see this type of move. Here is different thing for PPI, CPI and PMI. For CPI, I mark the 50% of the 1 minute fair value gap. Market should trade until the 50% of the CPI gap, 1 minute gap. Okay. For PPI and PMI, it's important to mark the 15 minute, I mean, fair value gap, and at least the constant encroachment of that 15 minute fair value gap, not 1 minute. Again, for CPI, it's gonna be 1 minute fair value gap constant encroachment. For PPI, PMI, it should be the 50%, and also for the FOMC, 15 minute fair value gap, not 1 minute. Again, for PPI and PMI, it should reach until the low of that fair value gap. That means if it go through the 15 minute constant encroachment, then it should reach until the low of that 1 minute fair value gap, until the low of that 1 minute fair value gap, or maybe the 15 minute fair value gap. It depends. Okay, so that's all for the news. Okay, so yeah, that's all, brother Sizo. If it is your answer, let me know that. So this is 9:30, and all I can see is market has taken some liquidity here. Okay, so some liquidity has taken. Now this swing high is not valid for shifting market structure. Absolutely, I agree with you. But as my prediction is market is going higher, so if I get a market structure shift above that swing high, I will force market to give me a setup. Okay, so here I got the market structure shift, not perfect one. Okay, I'm not telling, sometimes I tell you that if it doesn't work, then I will say a perfect setup didn't work. But over here, this swing high is not perfect, but still I will give it a try. If it can make a fair value gap over here, and immediately if it trade the fair value gap, I will go for the buy. Otherwise, I'll just let it go. Oh, by the way, if before giving me the setup, if it touch that line, the low of that fair value gap, I'm not interested to take any entry. So that's all. And in this type of situation, actually most of the time I push my button over there, but here I will wait as uh, just it's after the news and price action is not so good. I push my button over there depending on that breaker block. See this breaker block? I actually push my button depending on that breaker block. But today I will just wait. I will wait a little more. Maybe I will miss it, but still, as market is really so difficult to trade, this breaker block. Why this is breaker block? The real setup happened over there. It has closed the most obvious parallel gap that should be unfilled. Now here you can say, brother, there is no that type of parallel gap or something. But if you tell me, ask me, see this parallel gap after trading this order block, market went higher, made this parallel gap over there, that should be unfilled. Now when it filled, I will start to look for a breaker block. So in my opinion, that is a perfect breaker block. But yep, maybe I will go for that. And my stop loss is just, I'll just cover the mohawk, and my target will be here, that fair will get high. Okay, yeah, I can go for here actually. I'll just go for there. The, I mean, it has traded this fair value gap over here. This is the fair value gap that has been traded, and also at the same time it has traded the breaker block. So both of the thing tell me that it can work, it should work. Okay, something like that. So I will put it over there. Why I'm little late? The reason is market is too volatile and trading view is little slow. I know it's not a good trade, but still, if you see risk to reward, just 10 handle stop loss or 20 handle, not bad. I'll see if it works or not. Again, this is highly risky, and to be honest, I'll go for that because I have the breaker block, I have the fair value cap. If it doesn't work, I'll just get stopped out, that's all. I put my stop loss, just covered the mohawk for the breaker block. See this mohawk little went outside of the breaker block, so I just covered. Okay, I got a stop out. So no entry for me right now. I'll just wait. I'll see how it worked around that area. Can I take a sell? No, I am not interested to take sell. Okay, even if it went lower, like yesterday, remember, market has taken the buy side liquidity, market structure shift, fair value cap, market trade that fair value cap, went lower one more time, maybe for this sell side liquidity. If you want, you can take that sell side, I mean that sell. I'm not interested. I will be only interested to take buy. I'm gonna leave this setup one more time, and I will go for the same buy side liquidity one more time. Why I took that entry? Market went lower, close above the breaker block one more time. So when it just went above the breaker block, I pushed my button depending on the same setup one more time, covered the same mohawk one more time, and I will believe that this time it will work. So yeah, I got a stop, I mean stopped out. I got a stopped out one time. If it doesn't work, that means I have no chance to trade. As we have Powell speak around 10, so I tried to catch the move before 9:50. So 9:50 is my last moment to hold this trade. if it didn't hit my target or my stop loss before 950, I will close my trade wherever it will be. I'll just close it. I don't care. So let me just put it around 950. So here, here. So if it doesn't hit my stop loss or my target profit before this line, I'll just close my trade. Same setup. Is it revenge trade? Absolutely not. I got stopped out because market went lower, much more lower. It happens. I told you that market is not so precise right now. That's why I don't want to put my stop loss below that low. Instead of that, I put my stop loss, just covered the mohawk for the breaker block. It didn't work. Come back again above this breaker block. I took re-entry. Same place, my stop loss, same area, everything. I'll just go for that buy side liquidity and I will start to believe that market will work. If it doesn't work, I will take another loss. Done. Just done. Then it's gonna be a very bad day for me, like yesterday. It's gonna be the same day for me. I will come back tomorrow. I will try to trade tomorrow one more time. Why don't you trade multiple contract of MNQ so you can scale out of trades? MNQ chart is not precise. There is a little difference of the price, brother. So it's really difficult for me to uh, cooperate with both of the chart. Okay, by the way, remember this line, 1 minute low, that is the most obvious place. So when market came here, I'll just put my stop loss to the break even because the news run has done. Okay, the whole setup, everything has done already. So I'll put my stop loss to the break even. If I get stopped out to the break even, I'm happy with that. But I don't want to take more risk now. It's my problem. I actually go for the trailing stop loss. My trailing stop loss is very bad, but still I'm profitable with that. I'm getting benefit for that. So I'll put my stop loss over there to the break even. If I'm wrong, I'll be stopped out to the break even. Here, when market tapped to this low of that fair value gap, it has done its job. All over this setup, everything is done. Okay, every single thing is done. Now market can do anything. I don't know what is going to happen. Until that low, I was confident that market will keep going higher. I put my stop loss for the most obvious buy side liquidity. If it reaches until that on, I'm cool. Here I was just confident to put my stop loss over there because of this order block. Just look at that order block. I should have covered the mean threshold of that order block, but yeah, I'm not gonna do that. I will just put it to the break even. Maybe little above the break even. Little above, okay, over there. Now yesterday when I took a loss, immediately I changed my bias and I took sell. That was also depend on the price action here. This is also depending on the price action. So if you call it is a revenge trade, I'm not agree with you because this run just is a manipulated run. It should follow the whole setup. So over here I'm just seeing this as a fake breakout. This two candle is just a fake breakout. In my opinion, market is perfectly worked. See this candle over there. This is the breaker entry over there and there. Okay. Why I put my stop target profit over there? Because of this relatively equal highs. So that is the most obvious highs. Now over here, these two candle you have to ignore. These two candle. Now ICT actually push his button when market go back again above the constant encroachment of the breaker block. He push his button one again. Okay, that's why I also push my button over there. I don't wait to come back again to the breaker block. I don't wait for that. As ICT pushed his button when he actually got stopped out over here and market just go back again above the breaker block. He just pushed his button over there, so I pushed my button over there. So that's all. Now either it will hit my target or it will hit my stop loss to the break even. That's all. Because I took that profit. Oh, okay. So maybe you closed your trade to that line. I don't know where did you put your stop loss. Sorry, target profit. But as I told you, Obvious thing is this run. So from this breaker block to this line, this 16 handle is obvious. Okay, market at least it should reach until that area. Then where market will go, it's just let it go with the market. I'm not interested what it will do. But as I told you, before this line, if market doesn't hit my target or my stop loss, I'll just close my trade. I don't care where market is. I will just don't care it. I'll just close it because Fed Chair Powell speak. The preparation will start around 9:50. So yeah, now very near to my target profit. Maybe it will reverse and stop me out. Maybe this is the most painful place where yeah, lot of time I got stopped out. It didn't hit my target for one tick, two tick, come back again, stop me out to the break even. I faced this problem lot of time. You can say, brother, you can just close your trade. I don't like it. I just when I cover my stop, I mean, okay. So here, the I would love to show you something. It's paper trading, absolutely paper trading. The first loss was $200. Here, I took one share only, $500. Overall, I got $300 profit. Now, this is the game, okay? This is the game plan. If you really know what is going to happen, try to take them. If you're wrong, maybe this time I also wrong, okay? Market hit my target, sorry, stop loss, I got another loss. I'll just close my trade chart. With two losses, I'll just close my chart. That's all, brother. Even if you do the prop firm challenge, what do you think? $200 is huge? No, absolutely not. You have to take at least $350 loss per day. So if I was hit one more time, I would take another maybe $250. So it's gonna be $400 something like loss, and I will be done with that. Thank you, brother, for writing that boom. Thank you, Sivastan. Thank you, Rajesh. Now I will wait for. I'm just gonna remove this one, and I will wait for Fed Chair Powell speak. As I told you, I'm bullish until this buy side liquidity. You can say, brother, you should have wait until this move. It's not natural. It's not natural. Oh, by the way, I would love to talk about something I outlined yesterday. So today I would love to talk about that a little bit. As I told you, that market always follow its previous pattern. Okay, this is 9:30 open. So I would love to show you something what happened until 9:30 to 12. So I would love to I mean until here. Okay, I will just would love to explain that. Look, first market opened, went lower, then come back until this area. Here around 1 p.m. the market start to trade. Okay, so around 1 p.m. is the PM session start. As I didn't mark it from 9:30, little before the 9:30, so I'm gonna mark this one little before the 1 p.m. But look over here what happened. It went lower. Just you will keep watching, okay, and come here. This move and that move are the same. You have to. Thank you, Miguel. Thank you, Sergey, for writing down boom, brother. I will talk about there. Please let me explain this thing as I have just tweeted it before yesterday, and I told that please study this. All I am trying to explain that you have to read the story. Now, if you ever read the novel, what you do when you will start reading the novel, you have no idea. But after a certain period of time, you start to gauge what is going to happen next, right? How do you guess? Because you read the previous part of that novel. So just think this is a novel. This chart is a novel. Here you started to read the novel. You saw it happen. Then market went lower, went, sorry, not like that way. Let me mark it clearly. It went lower, went higher, went lower, then came here. Okay, this is the pattern what happened in the morning session. Now here is the PM session. Look what happened. it went lower, went higher, went lower, then just I will put it over there. Okay, so exactly over there. Look over here, what happened after this move, the first move. Then market went lower, take the low. It has take the low over here. Just look what happened. It has taken the low. Then this high, not that high. Okay, this high has been taken over there. This high has taken over there. I guess here, or maybe you mark over there. Whatever you mark, just you can mark. And it was just after I mean it's too late, so I really don't want to go until that too late. The 3:45 or 3:45, 45 is not our trading session. We are not allowed to take entry after that line. We are not allowed to take entry after this line. So I will talk about the price action before that line. So over here, that is the high which has been taken by that high. That high has been taken, or if you just would love to mark those highs, it's taken. Market failed to take this high there. Here market failed to take that high. So just let me remove. Maybe it's equal high or something like that, but almost the same pattern happened over there. Now I would love to show you something over here now around that area. Okay, so if I just come over here, what happened? This is market structure shift. Is it valid market structure shift? I know that this is a swing high which has traded this parabolic gap. So if you want to mark it as your market structure shift, I just can't stop you to mark that. But still, this is not a perfect market structure shift. Okay, just for forcing market, you can say that this is market structure shift. Depending on the news trade, you know how to trade this news. Market structure shift, parabolic gap. Price trade the parabolic gap, then went little lower, order block, trade the order block, went higher, then come back lower again. Around this area, where is exactly your order block? Your perfect order block is over here. That is your order block. This is the order block. When market went much more lower, then I marked this one. But this is the perfect order block. What happened exactly? When market trade this order block, went lower of this order block. That means market doesn't respect this order block perfectly. Parabolic gap trade didn't respect the order block change in state of delivery, didn't respect this change in state of delivery perfectly. Instead of that, market went lower one more time, take that low, then went higher. Here this is the breaker block. Market went lower one more time, took all of this low, then went higher. Are they the same? Went lower, take that low, then went higher. Same thing, went lower, stop me out, then went higher. I was 100% careful about that run. Here is the pattern. If you want to wait for this run, sometimes you will miss the move. So what I actually don't like, I don't want to wait for that move. Instead of that, I will let hit my target profit, stop loss one more time. That means I'm trying to catch the run. I don't want to miss the run even if it hit my stop loss, because I know my stop loss is gonna be very small. 10 handle, 12 handle is really a very small stop loss. I know that even if I get stopped out over there, I'll be able to catch that move. If I'm absolutely right, I'll be able to catch that move one more time. And this is how price always follow the pattern. I talked about this move, right? Market should not do this run here. It should not do this blue box. See inside this thing, everything over here, it should not do that. Same thing, it should not reach over there. Why it reached over there? Because market is highly manipulated right now. No precision over there. So market has done its upper job. I don't believe. Still, it should keep going higher for that buy side liquidity. If it take that buy side liquidity, then around 8:29 tomorrow, I am not gonna expect any kind of higher move. If market take that buy side liquidity and doesn't left any buy side liquidity for tomorrow, then around 8:29 I will I'm not gonna expect any higher move first. I will expect around 8:30 it will keep boom falling, boom, until that sells and liquidity. It will keep falling, keep falling. I'm gonna remove this sales and liquidity from my chart because I don't like those lines, a lot of lines. Just remember it has taken all the liquidity, and here this buy side liquidity, primarily that is my target. If I'm wrong, I will be happy with that, because as I told you, take one trade. If it is profitable, close the chart. If it is a losing trade, try to mitigate your loss for the second time. If you can mitigate your loss, close your chart. This is not a good price action. Now, if you wanna listen to me, you can listen. If you don't want to listen to me, I have no problem with that. All I'm trying to sharing my experience. That's all I'm doing over here. Okay. By the guys, I really love that boom word. So if it hit, if ever, okay, I'm a noob. I know nothing about this price action, but sometimes if it hits my target profit, don't forget to write down that boom word, as I told you. 58 likes I got. Thank you guys for at least giving me 50 likes. And thanks for joining to my live. I can see 137 people are watching. Thank you guys and welcome to my channel. And I'm extremely sorry for my accent. I know that sometimes it's really difficult um, to understand my accent. Robin Hood, I gave you the answer to my Twitter, brother. I told you that you have to watch. I have already made 2 videos about market structure shift. As I told you over there, is that a perfect market structure shift? Absolutely not. I'm just forcing the market to give me the market structure shift. The reason is, depending on that news candle, depending on the sell side liquidity taken, depending on that bullish fair value gap from 15-minute chart, depending on that 9:30 open, depending on that left buy side liquidity, depending on so many things, I'm gonna force that swing high as a market structure shift. But is it a market structure shift? Absolutely not. If you really know how to mark the market structure shift or the perfect market structure shift, at least 1000 losing trade you can easily avoid. At least 1000, at least, okay, 1000 losing trade you can easily avoid if you really know how to mark the market structure shift. That's all, brother. So please watch those video from my YouTube channel. You will get them inside the study folder. Please watch them, and I believe that it will help you. I believe that. By the way, I got one subscriber. Thank you, whoever subscribed to my channel. Welcome to my channel, brother. Just don't forget to give me a hi so that I can know that you are the one who actually subscribed today. Just one guy, so it's gonna be very easy. What do you think about the trading London? I'm not a London guy, and most of the time I get liquidated. Ah, most of the time I got I am being the liquidity in London session, so I don't trade in London session. Very rare I trade in London session. Very rare. If I see something more obvious, something like perfect setup, then I go for that. Otherwise, I actually don't trade the London session. So I will just keep it both of the chart in my area. I'm gonna remove this. I don't know, guys, is that helpful for you or not, but for me, it's really so helpful. I really appreciate those things what market gave me. I really appreciate that. Just don't forget this is the bearish breaker. At the same time, maybe market is going to make the bullish fair value gap over here. So if it can make the bullish fair value gap, as I told you, that I will try to frame another buy setup for from that bullish fair value gap. At the same time, this is the breaker block from 15-minute chart. So both of this level is important for me. I will see how it will react on that area. This is a nice trade explanation, sir. No problem, Ciso. I feel so happy for this trade when compared to yesterday's price action. Yesterday's price action was really bullshit. It's extremely bullshit. Now, guys, as I tweeted, one more thing is I don't want to be a professional. Okay, so the professional trader, what they do, they got this profitable trade, they will keep talking about this profitable trade. Okay, I don't need to keep talking about the price action, what is going to happen. I'm not gonna, I don't need to talk about that. Okay, I just can wait for better, I mean, just explain this setup. I will keep talking about this setup, lot of thing over here. Okay, what is going to happen, I will just say okay, maybe it's gonna happen. But what do, I keep reading the price. It's done, I'm done with that. I will keep reading the price. Now, when I will keep reading the price, sometimes I do mistake, right? So I'm not being a professional over here, a professional YouTube streamer over here. Instead of that, I'm trying to give you something that is really going to help. Maybe you didn't trade that entry, okay? So you didn't take that entry. So I'm thinking that I was never been there. So I will wait for another opportunity. But if I was trading, I'm done over here. If I was trading, I'm done over there. Same rule is always over there. If I get two loss or three loss in a row, I'm done. I'm just done. So I hope that you'll understand that fact. And yeah, that's all. We are 3 minutes left for my friends speaking. Petcher Pauli speak. We will see how it react or how it work. Brother, what do you think about trading in London session? I gave you the answer. Market structure shift wizard to market structure shift. Don't troll me, man. Wizard. I use that word for fun actually. Absolutely, I use that word for fun. So yesterday, I mean today, I just let's get troll, but you will choose for me. I'm going to change my channel name to ICT Trading Concept to either any of those, and also the Twitter channel name also as well. So I'm gonna get my own identity. That means my name is T2. So I'm gonna use that T2 in the name of my channel's name. I think that it's not bad. So I ask for your vote, and I can see that 49 people actually has voted. 59 just voted for T2 Trading Zone. So that's my name. I have chosen that one. Okay, T2 Trading Zone. But wizard word, it's actually it will bring the troll to me. So I am really not interested for that. But yeah, as so far I can see that most of the people support the name. So I'm gonna change the name next week. So you will see the name T2 Trading Zone, I guess, instead of ICT Trading Concept. I believe that it's not bad. Okay, I'm not trying to rebranding anything. I'm just gonna put my name into the channel name. Okay, so I'm not rebranding anything. I'm just putting my name. That's all. Okay. So I hope that you won't take me in a wrong way. I believe so. Okay. Hi T2, do you trade breaker block? If yes, then can you explain how to do it? If no, then why not please? Breaker block is my favorite trade. I mean favorite setup. I love breaker block. 95% of the time I get setup from breaker block, and the winning percentage is near about 95%. I have already made a video. I explained everything over there. Please watch that video. Okay, brother? Please watch that video. I have already explained everything over there. So you will find that as well in the study folder. You'll get it. Good idea. Thank you, Brian. Hello, bro. I think T2, the IC2 wizard seems fancy for new subscribers. So I think trading zone is good. Thank you. Hello, bro. Yeah, that is also my choice. But some people actually, they love me. They offered that wizard word. That's why I just asked for the vote, and 59% people gave me the vote for T2 Trading Zone. So I'll go for that, I guess. But the keep wizard name or Robin. I just put the vote. So if I get the vote, it's cool. If I don't get it, I'll go for with that vote. Okay. So this is 10 a.m. Petcher Powell speak start. I mean the speaker has started to talk. We will see how it react. Again, number 15-minute bullish fair value gap. No 15-minute bullish. Yeah, I can see there is no 15-minute bullish fair value gap. So I'll see how it reacts. Okay. If no bullish fair value gap, brother, then just don't trade. If no, just don't trade. Hi sir, how are you, sir? What is new week opening gap? Hey JJ, I'm fine. Thanks for asking, brother. How are you? New week opening gap is the closing of Friday price and opening of Sunday price. If there is a gap, we called it new week opening gap. So one of this line is Friday close. One of those lines is the opening of Sunday. So if there was a gap, I just mark the gap and the 50% of that gap. It is called the new week opening gap. Fed started to Fed started the drama. We'll see. 15-minute fair value gap not created. Yeah, I can see it didn't create any 15-minute fair value gap, so I'll wait. I will either way. Fed chair Powell speak is difficult for me to trade either way. Okay, so I will just see what is going to happen. 90% of the time I saw Fed chair Powell speak leads market to consolidation. 90% of the trade. I mean time. Wizard name is sounds cool. I just use that word for fun. 300, nice reaction there. 320. Okay, let's see, brother. T2 ICT trading zone. Adding ICT will tell the viewers what's your style. Exactly. I want T2 ICT trading zone. It's a very big, big name. I mean, in that type of situation, I can do is another thing, and that is T2 ICT zone. T2 ICT zone is okay. I wanna keep T2 word. I mean, sorry, T2 name and 3 word only. So either T2 trading zone or T2 ICT zone or T2 ICT trading. ICT trading T2 is not good. Maybe T2 ICT zone is cool. You are our market wizard, T2 bro. Oh man, I don't know what is happening in dollar index. Did it take the liquidity or not? Let me check if I am able to do that. Let me try one more time. Okay, it has taken the. Okay, it's also jammed, not working at all. It has taken the sell side liquidity. Now it can go for the buy side liquidity now. Okay, so it can go for reverse. It can reverse. Dollar index can reverse. If dollar index reverse, then this guy can keep falling. We will see. Right now, I have no way to trade. Just no way to trade. This 15-minute bearish fair value gap. Just look over here. Price has traded this 15-minute bearish fair value gap over there. If it keep falling, I can frame maybe some trade. Like for me, here is a setup. I'm gonna remove this one. Here is a setup. I know it's highly risky, but still there is a setup, so I will go for that sell. Again, I'm telling you that this is highly risky and I am not a Powell speak trader. I'll go for that fair value gap. If it can make a fair value gap, I will go for a sell from that fair value gap. All I need is immediate reaction. Highly risky, highly risky. Okay, there is no fair value gap, so I'm not interested to take entry as there is no fair value gap. Fed chair Powell speak always leads the market into the consolidation. That's the first word I can explain. In my experience, I have seen that most of the time, Fed Chair Powell speak leads market to the consolidation. Now over here to the 15-minute chart, look over here, this candle, okay? If it's gonna be a candle with a very small body, if this candle is going to be a very small body, you know what is going to happen. You know better than me. 320, I had 5-minute travel cap C and price reached there and rejected. The school man is a new week opening from the week before or last Friday or Sunday. It's from 1 month ago. That travel cap is from 1 month ago. I guess from 7th of April. I guess 7th of April. I will keep that until the 5th week. Then I will remove it. So this week is gonna be the last week for that new week opening gap. Then I'm gonna remove it. You can call your channel Titu Boom 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 Titu Boom Boom Room. T2 ICT zone is nice, bro. T2 ICT zone. Yeah, that's cool. T2 ICT zone. That's not bad. 3 word. Okay, it is also cool. So I will maybe I will choose that. Okay, if you think, guys, just let me know from here. I can see 107 people are over there. Just write it down. What do you think about that T2 ICT zone? The name of my channel. Just give me some opinion, brother. I am asking your opinion. I feel like you all are my family, okay? So I can ask some opinion from my family. So please do some favor for me. How is it T2 T2 I citizen? What do you think, guys? Is that a good place to take sell? No, absolutely not. If I force the market, maybe I will be able to take a sell around that area, but is it good? Absolutely not. It's just forcing market to give me a setup. So over here you just see what is happening over there. Market is just not ready to fall, market is just not ready to go high. What I have to do, I have to wait. Is that swing high is valid for shifting market structure? Absolutely not. It's not valid for shifting market structure as well. T2 penny trader. Oh, man. Also good, thank you, Theo. T2 used to be the name of my cat. Then I'm gonna be your cat. I love cats. I love cats. I have my cat. Though he has broken his hand, he went outside and he was looking for a girlfriend, I guess. Then there was a crush with some other cat around that area. They had a fight, and my cat just hit them. They were like so so injured, but my cat also got hit in his hand. But finally, he won the girlfriend. Now his girlfriend stay just beside of my house. I mean, surrounding my house. It is stay over there. ICT to ICT boom trader. Any other recommendation, guys, please? Just look at this 15-minute candle. Be careful of that candle. If it is a very small body, what is going to happen? You know that better than me. If it is a very small body, big wick, then what is going to happen? You know better than me. So far, it's look like consolidation mode for me. Uh, but we will see. Boom trader T2. Thank you, Kevin. Bro, when I suggest you said no other option and now you have, that's not fair. I'm sorry for that, Ketan. I mean, actually, I don't know what to say. I mean, my mind is keep changing, keep changing, keep changing. I'm not a good guy. I'm sorry for that, Ketan. But what do you think about T2 ICT zone? What do you think about that name, brother? Well, your cat is a player. He is a player, man. He is a player. I don't know how many girlfriends he has in my area. I have no idea. And he is the father of lot of lot of children. Okay, he is the father. Lot of children. Playboy. You love cats and penguins. I love both of them. I'm kidding. Never mind. Thank you, Ketan. I know you were kidding, man. What can I do? Can I push my button? Can you push your button? Look over here. Can you push your button over there, brother? Do you have the braveness or do you have the courage? Push your button around that area. I don't have. Till now, I don't have. I don't have any high time frame fair value gap. I don't have any lower time frame fair value gap. I don't have any clean sell liquidity taken, market structure shift, fair value gap, or our wellness setup. I have nothing at all. I'm not. I'm afraid to push my button. By the way, guys, there is my Twitter link on the comment. Stream Elements are providing the link. So if any of you are interested to join me in my Twitter, you are going to be appreciated. Okay, to join me over there. I tweet a lot, all for study, I guess. Not kind of personal advertisement, but yeah, is what it is. T to ICT trader not sounding right to your. No, I told the T2 ICT zone. T2 ICT zone, not trader. Actually, if I said trader, I'm sorry for that. T2 ICT zone. I'm thinking of starting a channel named T2 and upload cat videos and memes. Obviously, you can do that, brother. I will be your subscriber. That's for sure. What about the 15-minute travel gap made by the 8:30 candle? This travel gap, that was a bearish travel gap, which is violated one time. It's just violated. So it's not even the inversion fair value gap. I just can't use that as an inversion fair value gap as well because this low has taken all of these lows. So I just can't use this fair value gap as a inversion fair value gap. So let me mark it. Thank you, brother, for telling me that. I'm not able to use that fair value gap as inversion fair value gap. You can say, brother, it's working perfectly. I agree with you. It is working perfectly, but I'm not interested to mark this one as the inversion fair value because it didn't make the rules. So there's something else I'm seeing, and that is this order block. I'm seeing this order block is holding the trade at the same time this breaker block. So let me mark the breaker block one more time over there. I'll just keep this one, but the consecutive order block is until here. Okay, so I'm not gonna mark full. Instead of that, I'll just mark this one. So this breaker block is holding the price. That's all I'm seeing here. But from 1 minute chart, it's really a nasty price action. Very nasty price action. T2 ICT zone is cool, bro. Yeah. So that's not a bad idea. I mean, as uh, some of you told me that yeah, it's good to have the ICT in the name so that people will understand what is this all about. In my opinion, T2 trading zone, I can use T2 ICT zone. Sorry, ICT. Yeah, T2 ICT zone. I guess it's cool. Brother, if you take 100 trade, how many do you own? I don't know, brother. I never count like that way. I'm not a good trader. I know nothing about the price action. That's all I know. Okay. So this candle closed, though it has long wick below the body, long wick above the body. but this body is not too small, so still now I'm not thinking that market is going for the consolidation mode. I will let one more candle to confirm that is it going for the consolidation mode, or is it highly volatile or something like that. Okay, so I will let one more candle to decide what is going to happen. So let's see. Okay. Just a second, guys. I'm gonna. Okay. Hey Robin, thanks for that ping hand, man. There is new to opening gap. I didn't mark it. That means I don't think so. It's important. So when I didn't mark it, I think that it's not important. See to the future Terminator. When load shedding, you can say just say I'll back. I guess there will be no load shedding today because the weather is perfectly okay for today. I guess I'll be here until the end of this session. And yeah, if I see something good, then I'll go for the trade. Otherwise, I will just keep seeing the price. And so far, you can see market is just sound. I mean, it's not doing anything. It's just spending time around that area. So let him first decide what it wants to do. My opinion to add trader. Now, T2 ICT trader, it doesn't sound good. T2 ICT zone was good. ICT trader. In that type of situation, I should remove my name and I should keep trading ICT trading concept. Everything is over there. Oh man. Yes, bro, T2 ICT zone is good because it will tell the audience about your niche. Okay, thank you, brother. Ah, okay. I got one more subscriber or 5679. I don't remember. Whoever joined, please let me know that who actually joined. I wanna see your name, brother. Just give me a hi or something. I just wanna see your name. So whoever actually joined, please give me a hi, brother. Please. That's a request. How to do that? I don't know how to do. Whoever joined, please give me a hi, brother. Please. I wanna see your name. Cat like you who makes market instead of lying around all day. Hell yeah, I will adapt you. What was that? Capricious. Capricious, capricious, I don't know, but what was that, man? Oh man. Uh, I don't like lies. Lying is something I don't like. I better be happy to stay with one of you by saying the truth, by showing you the truth. Lying will lead you for misconcept and it will hurt you. I have no right to hurt you. To be honest, I don't have any right. If I keep showing you the winning trade or something like that, oh man, it's gonna be very difficult for you. So you trade on silver bullet. I trade on session. So my session starts from 9:30. It ends around 12. The PM session starts from 1 p.m. It ends around 3:30 or 3:45. Any of this level. Okay. So I trade inside the session. I don't see the silver bullet. I don't see it specifically. I try to trade into this session time. That's all, brother. GJ. I will say only two words. Will easy to speak and type to. Yeah, I will go with three words, brother. I mean, just three words is good to me. In my opinion, T2 trading zone was cool. T2 trading zone, it was cool. Sorry, T2 ICT zone, it was cool. T2 trading zone, T2 ICT zone, both of them are cool. Let's see what it is. Okay, create subscriber count in live screen, bro. I don't know how to do it, brother. I only do just I know that I will just make another Windows open, something like that, and I can put it over there. I really don't know how to do that. Boom, something like that. So this candle is going to tell me market is going for the consolidation, or is it really would love to give me some volatility. Okay, this candle has long wick below the market, sorry, below the body, long wick above the body, but the body is not too small, so I have to depend on another candle. If this candle has a very small body, very small body, okay, then I'm gonna tell that okay, this AM session is going to be shit. So be, be ready for the long time consolidation. I have already told you how to predict the consolidation beforehand. I have told you how to wait for the perfect setup. I have told you how to go for the market structure shift fair value gap entry, which fair value gap is going to be important for you. I have told everything to all of you guys. Now all you have to do is to follow whatever I told you. If you keep following them, you will never take a losing trade. Do you think like that? Oh man, bullshit. You have to take the losing trade, but you will be able to be profitable. Trust me, man. I told you how to mark the liquidity. Whatever I marked the liquidity, the way I marked it, just compare with other liquidity. The way I marked it, that liquidity, just it with other liquidity like session liquidity, previous day high, previous week high, something like that. You will get the you will understand the differences, which one is more precise. So whatever I'm giving you here, they are more precise. Okay, they are absolutely more precise. Is this swing high is valid for shifting market structure? Absolutely valid for shifting market structure. What happened over here? Market went lower. Did it take the liquidity? No, it didn't take any liquidity. Is that a high probability trade? Absolutely not. Can I frame a trade from there? Absolutely I can. Why? I have this breaker block. See this breaker block? I have this breaker block. So I can frame a buy setup from there, but this is not going to be a perfect setup. Now maybe market will never come back to this entry fair value gap. So this is the entry fair value gap, this is the last fair value gap or the breakaway gap. Okay, so maybe market is not going to come over here within three candle. What I'm going to do, I'm gonna chase the market. I'll never do that. I'll never do that. I'll just let it go. Let me check, is that a mitigation block or not? Okay, that's the mitigation block. See, this is the mitigation block. Let me change the color. Now I didn't talk about this mitigation block beforehand because you can see this is the hindsight, right? I've already made a video about the mitigation block. Just go and watch that video. Let me show you perfectly. Look over here. This is E-mini S&P and this is Nasdaq, right? Over here to the top, this is Nasdaq. To the below, this is E-mini S&P. You are seeing this SMT, right? Here, this is SMT. I'm seeing this mitigation block. Where was the target? Here was the target. Now, is it confirmed that this is the mitigation block? When it is confirmed, Now I will show you the entry. When this candle closed above the mitigation block, this candle closed, the very next candle tap to the mitigation block, you will take your entry over there. It is hindsight because I was the 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 imminent P was not opened on my chart here. That should be your trade. Now, how can I frame a trade from 1 minute chart? I don't have any higher time frame over there. Higher time frame, or to say, I mean, uh, level over there. I don't have any high time frame level over there. So how can I frame overtrade? Brother, you always tell us that go with the high time frame. Here is my high time. I just told you that I got this breaker block. See this breaker block? Now you can mark this whole breaker block. There is nothing wrong. This is the mohawk. I'll just go with this lower on this breaker block. Do I have a breaker block? Absolutely we have, but we don't have any fair value gap. All I told you that I love breaker block. Okay, so whenever I get the breaker block, like over here, I was so confident that this breaker block is going to work. For the first time, I got stopped out, but very next time it worked perfectly. It should have worked perfectly. So for me, the breaker block is too clean for me. If you are confused about the breaker block, don't go for that. Instead of that, wait for the bullish fair value gap. Okay, just wait for the bullish fair value gap. What else I can say? I have nothing to say. There was the entry. I mean, for the mitigation block entry, that is called the I have already made the video, brother. Please watch that video. I have explained everything, and come back and tell me if there is anything wrong. I told just cover the mohawk for the mitigation block. So just put the stop loss over here below this mitigation block. It can come back little lower of that one, then boom. Are you waiting to come back again here? Then no, the candle will close above that high. It's already valid as a mitigation block. If it went lower, then it would be as a valid breaker block, perfectly valid breaker block. Okay, here I'm not looking for the breaker block because breaker block was over there. I will never find a breaker block over here, but here was the breaker block. What I will do, I'll just mark the breaker block one more time over there. Sorry for marking it. That was the breaker block over there. But I removed it. Brother, hindsight is everything cool. What did I say? Did I say that market is going lower? No, I was just looking for a sell around that area. I told that if I get a fair value gap over here, I'll go for that sell. I would close my trade below that low. I wouldn't go for that sell. I would close it over there. Market didn't give me the setup. So when it happened, either it will be consolidated or it will be a perfect buy setup. I have this clean breaker block from 15-minute chart. Maybe it can be a market structure shift, fair value gap entry, maybe mitigation block entry, maybe any other type of entries. But this buy side liquidity has triggered. That's all, brother. But you missed it. Yeah, I missed it because my imminent chart was not open. So yeah, I missed it. Talking about cats earlier one. What did you say, Kesh? We just took 15-minute high. Okay. We will see this is the last fair value gap from our hourly chart. Market has taken the most obvious buy side liquidity, so I'm gonna remove the buy side liquidity from my chart. Now, market has taken the sell side liquidity, market has taken the buy side liquidity. What is today? Anybody can tell me what is today? What is today? Please let me know that. My kind request to all of you guys, please tell me what is today. Buy side liquidity taken. Yeah, absolutely, brother. So SNC and GME stock. You can destroy. No, not. I just ask what is today. I mean Saturday, Sunday, Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, Friday. What is today? Tuesday. Absolutely manipulation. Did you get the manipulation? Market has taken the sell side liquidity, manipulated market, buy side liquidity, manipulated market. Did you get the manipulation? Perfectly, you got it. Where market is right now? Here. Let him go above. Okay. Now don't expect market is coming for the sell side liquidity again from this here. Okay, see this new week opening gap, expect that market will stay above this new week opening gap now. Yeah, it can come lower, then it can stay in this range, there is nothing wrong. But it has taken the sell side liquidity, it has taken the buy side liquidity, it doesn't need to go for the sell side liquidity again now. All the manipulation has done. Now market should stay in a range bound. Okay, so today's uh Tuesday. Tuesday's manipulation day. What I will look for now, I will just look for a sell now. I'm not interested to look for a buy. I'm gonna remove this new week opening up from my chart. By either way, it's gonna be removed tomorrow, so I'm gonna remove this one. A lot of lines, I don't like it. Let me see what is happening from a very high time frame. Market is over here, going for buy sell liquidity. This one today, I don't think so. Let's see what happened in 4-hour chart. Okay, market is trading this fair value gap around that area from 4-hour chart. Cool. From hourly chart, market is trading this last fair value gap from hourly chart. It has taken all the buy side liquidity around that area, trading this hourly fair value gap. Let's see if this fair value gap can hold the price or not. Above this fair value gap, I have another fair value gap around that area. I will mark them later, not now. I will just mark them later. Okay. All I would love to see that this fair value gap will hold the price. Now I have this sell side liquidity here. I'm gonna remove this line from my chart because it's not obvious. This is the clean sell side liquidity and the sell side liquidity here. So I have these two sell side liquidity on my chart, which should be triggered tomorrow. That's my expectation. That doesn't mean that CPI will take that sell side liquidity. I can be absolutely wrong. Market again, I can be absolutely wrong. Market can go for the buy side liquidity. I can be absolutely wrong. So don't take it as a direction for CPI news. I'm just explaining my expectation. Market will go for that sell side liquidity. That's my expectation. Right now, market has taken all of this sell side liquidity over here from Friday and Monday, I guess. Friday and Monday, is it? Yeah. From Friday to Monday, all the sell side liquidity has taken, all the buy side liquidity has taken. Everything is taken. No more buy side liquidity, no more sell side liquidity. At the same time, it has cleared this high and that high. They were relatively equal highs. The most obvious clean buy side liquidity has taken. What it left, this low and that low. I'm gonna remove this line. This is the 15-minute fair value gap, so I'm gonna remove it from my chart. If you wanna keep it, you can keep, but I'm gonna remove it. So what do you see over there? I'm gonna mark this low as my sell side liquidity. What do you see over here? What is that called? Can I have some answer, please? What is that called? This one. Hey Nair, how are you, brother? Can anyone tell me exactly what I called it? What I called it? That's a shallow run. Absolutely, brother. That's a shallow run. If I see a shallow run, I actually mark the low of that shallow run and I call it obvious liquidity. That's called the obvious liquidity. Now, I have this obvious liquidity now. So market has taken the buy side liquidity. Now market should go for the obvious liquidity. Is it going today? It can do that. I'm not interested to see that. The reason is tomorrow is CPI. For CPI, keep some food for CPI, brother. Please keep some food for CPI. This food, this food, this food. This 3 foot is enough for CPI. Need to remove this line. Just leave those for CPI. What do we want then? I would love to say market will stay in this area from here to here. Into this area, market will stay, please. Just 100 handle, market will keep going higher, keep going lower. That's all I want to say. Why? Today's manipulation, the market has done the manipulation already. Sell side has taken by the news, buy side has taken by the news. Both of them has taken. Now market should keep doing consolidation, consolidation, consolidation. It can go little lower, maybe it can reach until these lows around that area, some relatively equal lows. It can reach until that area. Maybe market will go for that sell side liquidity, but I'm not just interested. I'll just keep seeing how it will react. I'm gonna remove this breaker block from my chart. The reason is it has done its job. It holds the price, send it back for the buy side liquidity. So the breaker block has done its job. I don't need it anymore. This mitigation block has done its job. I don't need it anymore. Here is the last favorable gap from 1 minute chart. I would love to mark the 1 minute last favorable gap. Thank you guys. That's actually the relatively equal lows which has taken by a shallow run. If I see the shallow run, I call it obvious liquidity. Okay, so that's my obvious liquidity. Did I get 5? Okay, I got 2 new people. Please guys, give me a high. Okay, when you just join me, give me the high. At least give me a hello, man. I wanna see the name of you, brother. Just I wanna see that. Brother, are you feeling comfortable to let this type of run go without taking entry? Are you feeling comfortable or not? It went higher. Oh man, why I didn't push my button over there for sell? If I pushed my button over there for sell, it could be 68 handle. What do you feel when you see this? If you feel that like I miss it, you are not ready to trade live money. Keep practicing, keep practicing, keep practicing. Never ever try to catch those type of run. Instead of that, try to catch some small run. Yeah, clean run but small. Something like this move. See here to here. See this move? This type of move. From here to here. Try to catch those type of moves. Never ever try to catch this type of moves. If you are lucky, maybe you will be able to catch them. But don't try to catch them, okay? Oh brother, you don't go to 5 minute chat. Why you are in 5 minute chat? Get out from the 5 minute chat. I'm sorry. Why I have marked that? Okay. Why you always copy my marking? I'm sorry, Ketan. I didn't notice that you have marked the same thing, brother. I'm sorry for that, brother. Thanks, Nair. Uh, you're fine. I really love when someone say that I'm fine. You should be fine. You have to be fine, brother. Everyone, always try to be fine. Fine, okay? Always try to be happy. No happiness, nothing. Don't worry, it is creating middle. Yeah, it's creating, creating middle finger. Just here you go, brother. Where I will go, brother? Uh, hope you are doing great today. I'm perfect, brother. What about you? You are here, right, Dio? Yeah, I saw your message at the beginning of the stream. I saw your message. By the way, guys, who actually joined today, give me a hi or hello. Your cat naughty married too many. No, he didn't marry. He didn't marry, bro. He just passing his time. That's all. Living together or something like that. No, he doesn't live together as well, because at night he comes home. Hey Peter, you're back, brother. You're back. So you are in Bali now, Peter? Market has taken the buy side liquidity, market has taken the sell side liquidity. Now I have the sell side liquidity left, but I really don't want to see that market will take that sell side liquidity today. Can it can it do it? Absolutely it can do it. I'm not expecting that. I'm not expecting that market will go for that sell side liquidity. I really don't want to see that. Okay. So from hourly chart, it's really looking so beautiful from hourly chart. A very nice wick to the lower portion, a very nice wick to the upper portion. What a manipulation, brother! What a manipulation! See, the whole price action is over there. Here, bro, I'm late. Boom! Outlander is her. Oh, okay, Outlander is here. It's not her. Not married and have those all those kids. You have to control him. He doesn't listen to me, brother. I think Christopher has the. Was that his name? Christopher? Let me recheck. No, sorry. Capricious. Capricious. I guess Capricious has more idea how to control him. Control the cats. I'm in Hong Kong. So you are in Hong Kong. You told that you will be in Bali. Lol. 1400 to sorry 18,249 watch those clean lows. Oh, okay. Tomorrow I'm going to Uzbekistan. Ah, long trip, man. Guys, as the way I just explain my expectation, okay? But that doesn't mean you're going to depend on my expectation. You can do whatever you want to do. If you wanna take sell, you can go for the sell. If you wanna take buy, you can take the buy. I'm not interested to take buy anymore. I'm just interested to take sell now. Okay, so for me, buying is done. For me, selling is cool. I will try to take sell until that's relatively equal lows. Until that lows, I'll try to take sell. But can be a consolidation now, because market has done its job for today. Liquidity has taken, sell side liquidity has taken, buy side liquidity has taken. Everything is taken. So it can be a consolidation day, but still we will see. I will try to find out a setup. If you look over here on the 15-minute chart, nothing at all. Nothing at all, in my opinion. Can I frame a trade over there? See this fair value gap? Now I am gonna push this button, but I'm also telling you that what is the risk. If I push my button over there, I have to just cover the order block, if there is any order block. If there is no order block, then fair value gap. If there is no fair value gap, then I will just cover the last fair value gap from 1 minute chart. If there is nothing, then only this fair value gap. As I can see, there is a fair value gap from 1 minute chart. So I'm gonna cover that fair value gap only. My target is going to be this low so far. Okay, I'm just gonna go for that low now. This entry, highly risky entry. I showed you that I took this entry to my real money account. It worked perfectly, but not always. So if you want to wait for the perfect setup, wait for that. If I were trading, I would push my button over there. So that's that fair value gap. This 1 minute last fair value gap, which has broken over there. One thing is missing over here, and that is just I needed one more candle close below this fair value gap. So it can be the fake breakout. It can be okay. There is nothing wrong with that. But still, I'm gonna believe that this is going to work. If it doesn't work, I'll take a loss. All I covered this fair value gap. Just this fair value gap I covered. Nothing else. Okay. So I believe that I mean it works. Okay, it works, but still, it's highly risky. It's your job. You will catch it or not, it's your job. But if another candle close below this parabolic gap, it's a very nice sign. It's a very nice sign. Okay. A very beautiful helicopter blade cutting out both sides. Yeah, absolutely, brother. Peter, bro, let me be your passport keeping assistant. Oh man, 2 times food a day will be my salary. Only that's it. What a nice job. Uh, Give me some job as well. Guys, 100 more than 100 people are watching. Please give me some more likes. At least make it 100 likes. Okay, please make it 100 likes for me. Please, I kindly request. I hope that you will understand the whole concept for selling around that area. Why I took the sell from this last travel cup. I have already talked about this travel cup in my YouTube channel. I have the video over there, and in my live also I talked about this travel cup entry, the last travel cup entry. Uh, so I don't think so that I need to explain more now because repeating is really too boring. I'm 1K away to passing another 150K combines. Love you, Chitu. Okay. Congratulations, Dio. I guess you are going to earn 200K very soon, inshallah. And then I will be able to visit you. Oh man, it's good news. Peter Henry, sorry, forgot to like, bro. Done now. Thank you, man. Thanks for the like. Yeah, please, guys. 117 people are watching. Give me at least 100 likes. I have 83 likes so far. I just need 17 more likes. That's all. Just give me 17 more likes. I deserve some likes, guys. I'll mark the Nasdaq as a job. Okay, Chidu. You will mark the Nasdaq as a job. That's cool, man. Can you do a video about inversion fair lookup? Didn't find anything about it on the channel. No, I didn't make any inversion fair lookup in I mean inversion fair lookup video. Brother, I didn't make any kind of video about the inversion fair lookup. But inversion fair lookup, I really don't. I'm not confident. So much confident about the inversion fair lookup. I am not confident. I mean, the way people actually explain the inversion parabolic gap, I'm not confident with that inversion parabolic gap. By the way, this is also inversion parabolic gap. Okay, this is also an inversion parabolic gap, but not the one which one ICT actually use. Okay, so it's specifically different because the last parabolic gap is going to work as an inversion parabolic gap. I believe so. Now, if it doesn't work, I'll take a loss. If it works, then it's also going to work as a inversion parabolic gap. But over here, uh, the perfect inversion parabolic gap, I don't trade depend on that. That's why I didn't make the video. But yeah, I'll try. If I earn those 200K, I'm coming to you in private jet. Okay, brother. I will wait for you, brother. I'll wait for you. So where it wanted to come, it came already. It should fall now. If it doesn't fall now, I'm in a great danger because it has traded that parabolic gap. Now it should keep falling, and I am expecting some kind of big move now, big run, something like boom, something like that. Okay, so it has done its upper job. It should keep falling now. I need the expansion toward the downside right now, not after, not the macro 11 a.m. No, just now, at least below these lows, at least until below these lows. Okay, I'm expecting that. it has done its upper job already. Everything has done over there. So I'm going to put my stop loss just above that swing high. I mean above that high. I'm gonna put my stop loss over there. Is that trailing stop loss? Absolutely, it's trailing stop loss. Market should not go back above that high one more time. If it went over there, I'll be stopped out because maybe I'm wrong. Maybe market is going the 50% of that 5 minute BPR. I'm not interested to get more losses, so I'll just cover little more loss over there. So that should be my stop loss over there, exactly over there. Will I be regret if it stop me out then fall? No, I won't be, because I I trailed my stop loss with logic. There was the logic. It should keep falling now. If it doesn't fall now, maybe I'm absolutely wrong. Okay, guys, I'm just coming back. Uh, I'm just coming back. Okay, so give me 2 to 3 minutes, please. By the way, as I'm just going to here, I'll just keep it over there. I'm coming back. it hit my stop loss. That's why I trailed my stop loss out perfectly. I put my stop loss over there for the second time. The reason was I saw that market has done the manipulation 2 times. So I actually moved my stop loss over there. So I took $90 more losses over there, and it is what it is. I will see how it react. Probability didn't work. A perfect loss for me. I think price action is scrubbed till PM. It should be because of Fed Chair Powell. As I told you, I'm really afraid of him because he doesn't lead the price in a right way. He doesn't lead it. So I'm afraid of him. Can you do it? Okay, 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 okay. Advice for a person who's been a losing streak even though I'm following my system. Uh, I talked about this before. Lebo gang. If you follow your system and you are in a losing trade, sorry, streak, then all you have to do is you have to take a pause. I told a story about the tiger last day that before hunting, what he do? Tiger always go back, then go forward. So you are trying to go forward so fast. You have to take a pause. You have to read the price action carefully. Don't predict the price. What is going to happen? Don't predict it. Instead of that, just mark them after effect. So hindsight. Keep doing that until you find out the confidence again. At least take 1 week break, then come back again. Just take 1 week break, come back again. That's the best thing that worked for me. The market is going higher. Let's see how far it can go. I'm gonna remove this BPR. I marked it from 5 minutes chart. Seems like it was not working. Yeah, from 5 minutes chart. That's why I don't like 5 minutes chart. It doesn't give me the precision. Most of the time it put me in a losing trade. Yeah, Dio, that is also a good suggestion, brother. Like overtrading will always kill you. Okay, yesterday I have told that trading is fun, but overtrading is like gun. Fun is not going to kill you, but gun does. Gun will kill you. Okay, so overtrading always harmful. If you can manage a winning trade from one day, stop over there. Just stop over there. Overtrading always will kill you. Always. It will keep killing you. You have no idea. Most of the trader, 95% of the trader are are a loser. The only reason is overtrading. If you keep pushing your button, that will lead you as a loser. At the end of the day, you will be the loser. The reason is whenever you will put this right, I mean, just you take an entry, maybe your stop loss is over here, 10 handle, it hit your target, then you took another trade, it came until the 10 handle, you are not going to close your trade. What you are going to do, you're holding your trade for 36 handle, maybe for 20 handle, maybe for 25 handle, it reverse, stop you out. So when it go to our direction, we are not ready yet to close our trade. Instead of that, we actually hold the trade for so long, but stop loss, we are not gonna we are not able to move it. We are not able to do that. So what is going to happen at the end of the day, 10 handle, 10 handle, 10 handle. This is how you are going to lose lot of trade. If you are able to find a winning trade, stop over there. Still now, if you have no problem with over trading, then the best option is take a pause. Done. I'm done. Yeah, I know everything. Everything of this market. I know everything. But yeah, I'm done. I will take a pause. I will wait for 1 week, at least 1 week. That means 5 days. I will read the price. How do I read the price? I'm not gonna predict the price. I'm just seeing what is happening. So over here, I can see that market came here to that last fair gap from 1 minute chart, fake breakout, went higher. It came to this last fair gap. Where is it going next? I don't know. I'll just wait. I will see where it will go. This is how I will get confidence, because slowly but definitely after 5 days you will be able to mark, or you will be able to see the winning trade again. You will be able to understand what is wrong with you, why you are not in a winning streak, instead of that you are in a losing streak. You have to take a pause, brother. Last fair value gap, uh not exactly the last fair value gap, but also that is the entry fair value gap. Hello dear brother, have you decided on the name change of your channel? Yep, that is I mean T2 ICT zone. T2 ICT zone. I guess it's cool. To ICT zone. It's gonna be the name, brother. I thought that T2 trading zone was cool, but as people are saying that ICT, if I put the ICT on the name of my channel, then it's gonna be easier for the newcomer to understand what is the niche of my channel. So I thought T2 T2 ICT zone is cool. New day opening gap, small but effective. I didn't mark it, pro. How are you, brother? By the way, I didn't mark it. The reason is it's too small, and that's why I didn't mark it. I have this hourly last travel cup over there. So far, it's cool. By the way, how are you, man? 15 so ugly. Why to trade set and set? Okay, trade set and relax. Absolutely, dear. After that was the Fed Chair Powell speak. After Fed Chair Powell speak, it is expected. I just told you that this thing worked most of the time, but all you have to do is you have to be very precise with your stop loss. If you can put a stop loss in a perfect, then perfect, man. If it works, perfect. If it doesn't work, you will take a small loss. That's all. No rush, no trade, nothing. Just look at this 50-minute chart. Over here, I am showing you every probabilities. But if you wanna wait for the perfect setup, you have to wait, because this 50-minute clearly telling you there is nothing, brother. 8:30 reaction. Just look at the 8:30 reaction. I love that. And this is the range. I told that market will stay into this range. So if I put it over there, no, I will just keep it over there. There is more probability that market will stay inside this range, because I explained already, market has taken the buy side liquidity, market has taken the sell side liquidity. Go to your hourly chart. Perfectly, it has taken the sell side liquidity. No buy side liquidity has left. So market, what market is doing? Market is spending time for CPI. So CPI is gonna be the player to play this game tomorrow. I'm doing great. How are you? Yeah, I know it's small, but mark it for me, please. Okay, sure, man. New day opening. Can you tell me where, what is the date exactly, brother? Just I need the date. Otherwise, it's gonna be difficult for me. Just tell me the date. Where is that new day opening gap created? If you remember how these levels also work, 300 big wall was there. A volatile session today. How these levels also work? Brother, I actually ignored that because 300, 320, 280, I don't use those, so I just ignored those today. Oh, okay. Today. Here is the new day opening gap. Perfectly reacted from there. Six handle, but kind of work today. Okay. ICT told in his not last, in recent stream that the new day opening gap, the new week opening gap, even if it's one handle, it's highly important, highly important. But in ICT's previous video, I mean, long time ago's video, he told that if it's a very small one, he's not interested to mark them. So I actually keep on that because, as I told you, I have lot of level over there. I just removed it from my chart. There was a breaker block which I just showed you beforehand. There, I just removed that breaker block from my chart, and it was enough for me to see that still I have this 830 open, 1 minute last fair value gap, lot of things over there, but still this new day opening gap worked perfectly over there. A perfect reaction from that new day opening gap. So cool. But as I told you that if it's smaller than 10 handle, I'm just not interested. That's why I didn't mark it. But that doesn't mean that it has no value. Absolutely, it has value. It's valuable. Did I asked ChatGPT for possible names for a channel? ICT Trading Insights with T2. It's a big name, brother. Imran. It's a big name, brother. I just need 3 words. Just 3 words. I marked it as well. Discussed it will be useful in consolidation zone. That's cool. Guys, don't misunderstand me. As I told you that new day opening gap, new week opening gap. If even if it is one handle, one tick, it is important. I just don't mark them because below the 10 handle, I mean below 10 handle, I don't mark them. Okay? Just that's my style. I do that type of thing. Over here, I had this last replica from 1 minute chart, and that was enough for me to see the reversal. This two candle is the fake breakout. Just look over here. After these two candle, there was no candle close to be below this last fair value gap. So yeah, I was little fast. I waited, but I should have waited little more to see that one more candle close below this fair value gap. I didn't wait for that. I got punished. But still, this is important. This new day opening gap is highly important. I just don't mark them. That's all. Okay. No confusion, please. 8:30 news low was also coming out of a new week opening gap. I called it before the news and told them to aim for the 350.75 as buy side liquidity if any setup after 10. Okay, 350.75. Oh, okay. After the news, there was the buy side liquidity. Yeah, I was bullish as well. After the news, I was bullish over there. That was all below, before the news time. Then I try to frame the breaker block entry. 10 a.m. news is not good for me because it was Powell speak. So yeah. Bro, I watched your video every time from your playlist. Can you please suggest one book of ICT so I can read and practice more? Also, I clearly more understand from your playlist. Brother, I only studied the 22 IT model. So 22 mentorship, that's all I studied, okay? So you can study the 22 mentorship from ICT's channel, because whatever I'm telling you here, it's all about ICT's 22 mentorship. That's all, brother. 14 April 2024, new week opening gap. 14th April 2024. I just removed one. I guess I just removed that one. There was a new week opening gap. If the new week opening gap was over there, I just removed that. I mean, 10 to 15 minutes ago. Sorry for creating the confusion. There is no confusion, brother. There is nothing, no confusion at all. All I just told that new day opening gap, new week opening gap, if they are less than 10 handle, I don't mark them. That doesn't mean it doesn't have any value. So you are absolutely right. There is nothing wrong with that. It is valuable, and you can see perfectly it is respecting the new day opening gap. So there is no confusion, man, and don't no need to be sorry. Okay, there is nothing to be sorry. I would love to buy it, but it will for 132nd very clean lows. Okay, I'm not interested to take buy, brother, right now. I'll just keep watching. 22 IT model mentorship. Have to buy the course or I have to come here every day? You're full. You just go to the inner circle trader channel, the ICT channel. Okay, over there you will find the 22 mentorship from his channel. There is 41 videos and it's absolutely free. So if you study them from his channel, I believe that it will help you, brother. Okay. If you ask me about myself, I am not creating anything. I'm just repeating my understanding from that playlist. That's all I'm doing here. 8:13 is candle, new week opening up lower one, not higher one. Oh, okay. So there was another new week opening gap, I guess. I didn't mark it, or maybe I removed it, brother. I don't remember. Can you please send me the link? Just go to the inner circle traders channel, the inner circle trader. Okay, just go to ICT channel. See this guy, the inner circle trader. Just go to that guy, go to playlist. From the playlist, just come here. 22 ICT mentorship. So whatever I'm doing here, I'm just clearing the concept from there. So this is my base. My base is from there. Okay, except the breaker or other entry model or something like that. This is my base. So you can study them, brother, if it helps you or not. Just go to that guy, the inner circle trader, and yeah, youtube.com/ at the rate of the inner circle traders. That's the thing. Okay, but study folder, you can see one ICT trading concept video list. Yeah, you can study my study folder list as well if it helps you, brother. Always try to come whenever I free and watch every day from the playlist. That's cool, man. No problem. Sun is also broken. It's very easy to say that market is coming from here, okay, here to here, after effect. But when market was going like this way, was that so easy to say? Like, was that so clean? What did you think? All of this fair value gap is going to hold the trade or send it back for the sell side liquidity, or it will keep going higher. So don't just what to say, I mean, don't make yourself confused, okay? Don't make yourself confused by seeing those things, and don't say that, oh man, I missed that. Don't say like that way. Instead of that, just stay with your I mean system, or the way you actually trade. From 15 minutes at, was there anything clean after 10 Powell speak? After 10 Powell speak, where was that? Here. Nothing was clean. No setup was clean. So don't get panic by missing all of this move. Instead of that, just stay still. Okay. Today here I'm not seeing very nice I mean nothing so clean. I will wait for the better price action. If I find a better price action, I'll go for that. If I don't get it, I'll just don't trade today. That's all, brother. Okay. That's the key. That's the keys kill zone. Okay, that's the key to success. You have to trust your system only. Whatever your system is, trust them. NRT trades ICT name top of my head. Brother, I just choose ICT. I'm sorry, T2 ICT zone. I guess, yeah, T2 ICT zone. I just choose that one. What do you say about that? T2 ICT zone. My choice was T2 trading zone, but as people, my brothers and sisters, they are telling me that keep that ICT on the name. So I thought, okay, T2 ICT zone is cool. What do you think about that? Best reveal after 10K subs. My face? Oh man, it's not good. Gemma, please. Hmm? No? This is the inversion fair value gap. So I believe that this inversion fair value gap can work. Okay. Caesar says if not today, huge volume. Tomorrow is gonna be huge volume. Uh, Today I don't think so that today I will get huge volume. Tomorrow I believe that I will get that. I don't know it will hit. I mean, take me with it or not, but it should work. Okay. Maybe I will miss that one. It won't hit my limit order, but yeah, it's okay. Bro, in Inner Circle Trader 2022 have 41 video episodes, so I have start from beginning, or you can suggest me from which episode I have to start. Brother, I studied all that 41 videos near about so many times, okay? So many times. Now it's up to you. Every video is important. Every single video is important. I was just about to hit my button, one that setup, but worried about the 15-minute travel gap. There is no 15-minute travel gap yet, Peter. Yet there is no 15-minute travel gap. By the way, that doesn't mean that you will take that entry because I told, uh, I took that entry. Please don't don't blame me for your loss or for your win. Okay, please. This is the only barricade that can stop the price. This only fair value gap can stop the price. I would love to see a body close below this fair value gap. Now, if you ask me, I wanna see a big run. Boom, something like that. Now that big run can happen around 11:30. There is nothing wrong, but I wanna see a body close below this fair value gap. Just one body. I don't care about the fake breakout over here. I just need to see one body close below this fair value gap because I have this very clean inversion fair value gap over there. That is highly, very strong inversion fair value gap in my opinion. Now, if it doesn't work, I will take a loss and I'll be done for today. In my opinion, that is cool, that is perfect and tradable. If it doesn't work, I'm not gonna be the market maker. All I can say is I'm always right. If you ask me, yeah, I'm so confident. Everything ICT have since starting here on this Google Drive sharing for knowledge. What did you say? Everything ICT have since starting here on this Google Drive sharing for knowledge. I don't think so. Your link is showing over here, Dio, because in the live stream the link doesn't is not going to share. Okay, there's some problem, I guess. The link doesn't appeared over here. Yeah, when it does with that one, I don't do it. Body didn't close below this fair value gap, not good, but yet it's cool. Nice. This is the min threshold. Body should not close above the min threshold. So far I'm cool. I'm okay. You can't see the line of the min threshold, but that is the line. Okay. So if the body close above the min threshold, it's not a good sign. Otherwise, it's until now it's perfect because body closed below the min threshold. So this order block is holding the price. So it's cool. All I would love to see a body close below this fair value gap. That should be broken. If it's broken, this sell side liquidity will be triggered. That's for sure. I'll close my trade if I see the body close above the min threshold. Then I'll close my trade. So if I'm cool, body didn't close above the min threshold. Got to go office at 9:30 and it's 1:24 a.m. already. Okay, brother. See you next time, brother. I'll see you, brother. Keep well, brother. Without confidence, trading feels like gambling. Absolutely, brother. Confidence comes with the level. If you know to read the price, then the confidence will come automatically. Like over here for me, if I see a body close above the min threshold, that's done for me. I'll close my trade. I don't care about anything else. I'll just close it. If it keep going, keep falling, I mean, stay below this min threshold, I'm cool with that. How long it will stay over there, I don't know. Until it is below this min threshold, I'm cool. If I get a body close below this fair value gap, I'll be very happy to see that as well. Good night, brother. I'll add the link on your Twitter last post. Yeah, please do that. I will repost it. No problem, brother. আচ্ছা আম্মু, আচ্ছা, well, just take another loss. No need to close it. Put it over there. So rather take another losses instead of closing the trade by myself. Take another loss. That's cool. Because when this candle close above the min threshold, the first job should be done is close the trade. But I will just let it go. Let it hit my target. I mean stop loss. It will teach me that don't trade Fetcher Powell. So I minimized my loss to the lowest level. So okay, now I got a stop loss. Lowest level loss. So it's gonna be $290. That's cool. I'm just done for today, and I will never push my button for today. Even if I was trading, I wouldn't push my button over here after taking three loss in a row. One, two, three. Three loss in a row. I'm just done for that. I'm not interested at all to push my button over there. By the way, I wouldn't go for those trades when that was a profitable trade. I'm done for that day. And Fetcher Powell speak, I always try to avoid them. This is going up and NQ down. I am shorting with T2 and you will take a loss if you just trail your stop loss. Then you have already taken the loss, brother. Have you watched ICT's charter content playlist? I have watched all of his video, all of his playlist, every single thing he published. I watched everything. I didn't study all of them. So watching the video and studying them is absolutely different. They are not useful anymore. So yeah, brother. Can I go for a buy? I would never go for a buy. And in this situation, I would never go for a buy. I'm not interested to go for a buy. I would just love to feel the pain because of my trailing stop loss. Was that because of my trailing stop loss also or not? Okay, so I need to feel that pain because first of all, I covered that constant encroachment of that last parallel gap. Later, I just trail my stop loss because of the price action. It was not so good for me, so I just trail my stop loss. Now I would love to feel it, feel the pain, okay? Because as I told you, I'm also confident that market will go below and it will take that sell side liquidity. I was so much confident about that. I would love to feel the pain. Now, if I wouldn't take two losses in a row, I would push my button over there. Now you can say, no, brother, you didn't do that. I do that, man. I got stopped out over there. I took re-entry. So I did that. If I haven't already taken two loss in a row, I would push my button again over there. This candle just closed inside this parallel gap. I pushed my button one more time. When you jump early, we done. Seems like now we watch trade works. It work, brother. As I told you, okay, my trailing stop loss punished me sometimes. Like yesterday, if you remember the first parallel gap entry, I put my target. I took my entry and then I trailed my stop loss. So my trailing stop loss punished me sometimes. But here the price action was telling me that market is going for that sell side liquidity. It was so obvious for me. So obvious for me. I was so much confident. As I told you that if you ask me, I'm so much confident about that. That market is going, at least it is coming and taking this sell side liquidity, and finally it will reach to that parallel gap. At least until this parallel gap here. That's my belief. Okay. But my trailing stop loss punished me sometimes. So I'm happy with that. I love trailing my stop loss, man. It's profitable for me. I mean, it's beneficial for me, so I go for that. There is no uh regret, but yeah, sometimes I feel the pain. I just feel the pain, and I start to think, oh man, why I trailed my stop loss? Then later, when I find out that 80% of the time my trailing stop loss give me the profit, more profit. I sorry, it helped me to take small losses. I say, okay, thank you, brother. Thank you. Thank you so much. This should not be traded. See this parallel gap, it should not be traded before taking this sell side liquidity. This parallel gap should not be traded. At least before taking this sell side liquidity and reaching to this parallel gap. Before reaching over here, it should not reach until that parallel gap. Even if it wants to go little higher, it can reach until the breaker block constant encroachment. The mean threshold until that area. Then it can fall, but it should take, over there before reaching to this parabolic gap, specifically this parabolic gap. Did I miss something? No, I didn't miss anything. That is the parabolic gap that should be traded. All right, down, boom. But it gave you the loss, brother. I know. My boom. Now my boom happened. Not previously. Now my boom happened. Bro, can you please watch that video 2020 mentorship episode 3 and time 217 is a not a bearish analysis. I'm little confused. Can you watch it for clear? Brother, I'm not gonna clear that video from ICT, man. I'm unable to do that, man. Okay, so I just can't analyze his entry. I just can't do that, brother. I'm sorry for that. I don't have that much information. So what did it came to this fair value gap? Perfectly. Okay, no problem. Now it can expand higher, okay? It can reach until this fair value gap now. There is nothing wrong with that, but we will see how it react. Nobody asked me why this fair value gap. Okay, I'm gonna ignore that, and I'm really, if you ask me now, I'm not gonna answer you. You can say this is maybe entry fair value gap. Yeah, that is also entry fair value gap, but that was not the fact actually. Which over there. So whatever, let it go. So I punished myself because I trailed my stop loss too fast. Now guys, here what I could do, this is paper trading, okay? This is paper trading, so I could put my stop loss over there. If it hit my stop loss, I'm not gonna lose any money. But I am trying to show you the way I trade. As I told you, I was so confident that market is going to take that sell side liquidity. Previously over there, what did I say? If it works, perfect. No, if it doesn't work, it I will take a small loss. But this one, I told that it's gonna work. That's my belief. So sometimes price action tell me something very good, but yeah, because of not precise price action, I got stopped out because that should not happen over there. This little move should not be there. Should not be there. Whatever, let it go. If you took at 30-second chart, you will see last 5 look up how it get this boom left it to give some likes. Oh man, don't remind me the 30-second chart. I'll be mad then. I stopped looking at 30-second chart because it made me crazy. It made me crazy. To be honest, make me crazy. Just thank you, man, for writing down the boom, man. Thank you, Gupta, Tizo. Thank you, brother. Thank you, Shahid. Wanna see price till touch 5 minute parallel gap? I don't see 5 minute chart, as you know. 5 minute is really so bad for me. I don't know why it doesn't work, but it doesn't work for me. So I mean time in 17 means that video length is 52, so you skip directly to 17 for a second. Brother, I just can't do that because of the copyright or something like that. Okay, I just can't do that, brother. I'm sorry for that, but still, even if I was able to do that, I wouldn't do that because that is ICT's video, and ICT's video, there is no one who can analyze the ICT's video. Okay, so you have to understand by watching that again and again, and whatever he marked as a market structure shift, there's a lot of things about the market structure shift. I just explained the perfect one, the best one about the market structure shift. So that doesn't mean that that is the only market structure. That is the only rules for market structure. I just explained the best one. That's all, brother. I would love to see why it reached over there. Now, over here, this is the 50% of that last travel graph from hourly chart. That is the reason. I don't need any other reason. But to be honest, I would love to see if there is anything else. I hate you. Oh man. Okay. That was my fault. Is it going to hit my stop loss? Okay. Yep. Boom. Oh man, I saw that it reached over there. Time to quit the stream because I saw that market reached to this last parabolic up, so I framed the buy setup over there. It's super. I exactly see that market tape to the last parabolic up from 30-second chart or the 1 minute chart, whatever you say. But it was super. Okay. It reached until that last parabolic. That's why it is stopping me out over there. Cool. Okay, I got confused because of this parabolic gap. Okay, okay. That's good. There would be the equilibrium of the daily range. Bro, it's okay, I understand, no problem. Now see your 5 minute failed field. Let's see where is the price heading. Retraced higher or 827? No, it's not going higher. It will keep going lower. See this sell side liquidity, until this sell side liquidity, it will keep going lower. Market doesn't need to go higher again. When this parallel gap will be broken, market will keep going lower. Okay, it has done everything over there. This new day opening gap, everything will be broken. Just remember this high, that high, and this low. So I thought this low, but actually this low until this is negative. This is the range. Market will be inside this range. It's not going higher, it's not going lower. It will keep bouncing both of this level. By the way, it reached to that level gap now. If it is broken, market will keep going lower until this is a liquidity. Why is that is a liquidity over there? But over here, you will get a small reaction. That reaction will head for some buy side liquidity. Maybe I'll expect that reaction from there. Boom, 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 boom. Can I take more buy? Let me check actually. Yeah, I can take. Previously, when I learned this ICT concept, I trade like this way. It came some parallel gap or something. I just push my button over there. I don't care about anything else. I don't see anything else. I just push my button. Sometimes it hit my target. Sometimes it hit my stop loss. When it hit my target, I was feeling like, oh man, I have already known the trading. I'm now a good trader. I can jump into the market. When it hit my stop loss, I just get. I was thinking like, ah, I will never learn this concept, never ever again. So I don't know you guys feel the same way or not. I mean, sometimes you pushed your button depending on in nothing. Okay, over here I push my button depending on anything, nothing. Maybe I will put my stop loss over there, just below this parabolic gap. Is there anything? Nothing at all. I just push my button. Now I will wait. Either it will hit my target or it will hit my stop loss. If it hit my stop loss, I'll just forget it. Okay, it was just a bad trade. If it hit my target, I have already learned how to trade. Just I'm the boss now. It hit my stop loss. I sorry target profit. I don't know why I put my entry over there. What is going to happen over there? I have no idea at all. Just pushed my button. I just see market came to this parallel gap. I pushed my button over there. No confirmation, nothing. I don't know you guys feel it or not. But at my beginning, I felt like that way. It hit my target. I'm the boss. If it hit my stop loss, let it go. Just a loss. Oh man, that was a nice feeling. But I miss those feelings, to be honest. Later I find out that okay, it's not absolutely the way I should trade. First, I have to mark the liquidity. Then I should go for the price action. Then higher time frame fair value gap or higher time frame level. Then lower time frame fair value gap, lower time frame level. Execution, market structure, shift hook, or breaker block, order block, anything, whatever. Then I should go for the trade. Otherwise, if I keep pushing the button, another thing I would do, I just took sell, right? I'm sorry, buy. It didn't work, so I took sell. So market is not going, sorry, market is not going higher. It is actually going lower. So put the stop loss very tight. I don't know how tight I can put it, and put the target profit unlimited. No way. I don't know how far I put it. I have no idea. Just put it in an unlimited way. Make sure that your stop loss is too tight. Okay, it's too tight. I would love to enjoy the moment. If it worked, I will say, okay, so first time I was wrong. I took buy in a wrong position. I should have taken the sell. That's all I kept in my mind. That I should have sold there. I shouldn't buy there. But I would just ignore why put the buy, why I put the sell. I would just ignore those. I wouldn't think about those. I would just keep doing this thing day after day, day after day, day after day, day after day. Nothing was improving. Sometimes I could take 2 to 3 entries winning. Brother, I don't have any other setup right now because I am very near to lunch hour. So I don't want to take any trade right now. Now over here, I took sell. Sorry, buy. I will take buy again. I would love to show you. So there's the buy. Now I have a level. What level? I'm just covering this order block, and I'm gonna put my target over there. I'll just let it hit my target. Just let it. Okay, just put it over there. What I have done in my previous time when I learned this concept, let me explain that one. Let it hit my target. I hope that it will hit my target. So forget about that. Just it had target my profit. Okay. So what I have done, I marked that order block over there later. So this is the order block. This is the last fair value gap. So price came here to this last fair value gap. Then it went higher, trade the order block, hit my target profit. I just keep it in my mind when it hit my target profit. In that type of situation, I put my stop loss as tight as I could. Very tight stop loss. Still now I have this problem. I mean, this is placing stop loss too tight. I have still this problem, but everything over here without anything. I mean, there is no concept for pushing that button. No concept over there. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell until I either I blow my account or it give me a winning trade. I will keep doing this. If any of you are facing this problem right now, then you have to understand that you don't have any model. Just you don't have any model. See the API issues and connection issues. I'm still in cell. You should not. I mean, API issues. What is that issues, brother? I don't know what you. It hit my target profit. Perfect, man. Perfect. So it worked with this order block perfectly. Then it is going higher. Oh man, I am a trader now. But trust me, if you are facing the same problem, the only thing you are missing is you don't have any model. So work with a model. If you don't have any model, if you just sometimes you take order block entry, sometimes you take fair value gap entry, breaker block entry, maybe inversion fair value gap entry, stop trading, brother. Trading is not for you. Just trading is not for you. Stop trading right now, right there. You have to work with one concept, one model only. That's all you have to do. If you keep pushing your button depending on lot of model, you will never be a consistent profitable trader. At least if you do that at your beginning. You are never going to be a consistent profitable trader. So please stop that. Instead of that, work with one model. That can be any model. Okay, I'm not telling that please follow my thing that it will trade the 15-minute fair value gap, then you will start to look for your sell setup. No, I'm not telling that. Maybe order block entry can be your favorite model, maybe inversion fair value gap, maybe breaker block, maybe any other thing, optimal trade entry, maker X model, but work with one concept, just one concept, focus one concept. Which ICT model are you focusing one? Right now, I don't have any specific model, brother. I go with the flow. I don't have any specific model, but if you ask me what is my favorite one, breaker block is my favorite one. Because for breaker block, I get more precision for the breaker block. Okay, so for me, breaker block is perfect. Except breaker block, I love 22 IT model. Inversion fair value gap, I'm very noob of that. Last fair value gap reversal entry is also cool for me. Okay, I actually go with the flow. I'm just talking about the people who are new to trading. Okay, if you are new, if you are not consistent, stop looking for entry every single time. And how can you do that? You have to work with one model only. Just write it down on the blank page. If you don't work with one model only, you will never be a consistent profitable trader, never ever, because until reaching to that level, you will blow your all the money you have. You will blow all of them. Start to work with one model. Stop looking for entry every single place. I have already shown you something that works again and again. Now, maybe it's not always over there. Maybe some days you will never find that. For example, today, until now, there is no that setup. Yesterday, no that setup. 15-minute fair value gap. First, you have to mark the liquidity. Where is your liquidity? Now, if you see, you have this clean buy sell liquidity from 15-minute chart. Okay, not from 1-minute chart, not from any other time frame. So from 15-minute chart, that is your buy sell liquidity. You have this sell sell liquidity, but as I told you that market is not going for that sell sell liquidity, so keep that in your mind that this buy sell liquidity will be triggered or this sell sell liquidity. It's not clean from 15-minute chart, but to be honest, that buy sell liquidity is clean. So what you will do, you will, if you look for a buy setup, you will wait for a 15-minute bullish fair value gap. If you look for a sell setup, you are thinking that market is going to fall. Okay, there is no buy sell liquidity, nothing. So market is falling. So what you have to do, you have to wait for a bearish fair value gap from 15-minute chart, just a bearish fair value gap. Okay, over here, let me explain that one. I was thinking that market will go higher. Okay, I was just thinking market will go higher. Let me make it bigger. I'm thinking that market will go higher because there was some buy sell liquidity, clean buy sell liquidity. So what I will do, I will wait for a bullish fair value gap. When I will get that bullish fair value gap, let me remove it. When I will get that bullish fair value gap, I will go to 1-minute chart. When I'm in 1-minute chart, look, market came to this bullish fair value gap for the first time. After coming here, I will wait for a market structure shift. If I get a very nice clean market structure shift, fair value gap trade, boom. Come back again over here to this bullish, another bullish fair value gap. Still I'm thinking market will go higher. Wait until 1-minute market structure shift, fair value gap, trade the fair value gap, boom. If it doesn't give you any entry, don't take entry. If it is not a perfect market structure shift, fair value gap entry, don't take any entry. Yeah, some days maybe you will never find a setup, never ever you will find a setup. I don't care if you get at least 5 setup in a week, you will get that for sure. And out of 5 setup, 4 will work if you can mark the buy sell liquidity and sell sell liquidity from 15-minute chart, again not from 1-minute chart, from 15-minute chart. If you are able to mark the buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity from 15-minute chart, then if you can mark the bearish parabolic gap or bullish parabolic gap, if you are looking for sell side, then it should be the bearish parabolic gap. If you are looking for buy side, you will look for the bullish parabolic gap from 15-minute. Then you will be in 1-minute chart. You will wait for a perfect market structure sheet parabolic gap immediate reaction. You are not going to hold your trade for the extreme sell side liquidity or buy side liquidity. Instead of that, you will look for 1-minute buy side liquidity or 1-minute last parabolic gap. If there is no 1-minute buy side liquidity or sell side liquidity, clean sell side liquidity from 1-minute chart, then look for the last parabolic gap. That should be your target. Keep doing this 1 week, come back to me and tell me what is the result. Out of 5 trades, you will be able to take 4 winning trades. At least 4 winning trades. That's my challenge to you. That's my challenge to you. You will get at least 5 setup. Out of 5, there will be at least 4 winning trades. All you have to do, very simple process. From 15, not, I don't give a shit of 1-minute chart. I don't give a shit. From 15-minute chart, look over here. Just let me show you. I'm gonna remove this one. Okay. Now, here, maybe you are looking for sell. This sell side liquidity. You are looking for sell. This is your, let me remove this new opening gap because I don't see the new week opening gap is important for me. You are looking for a sell. Here is your bearish parabolic gap. Go to your 1-minute chart. This is the first time market came to this bearish parabolic gap. What you need? You just need a lower perfect market structure sheet. Just a perfect lower market structure sheet. Just look. Here, you got the market structure shift over there. Is that valid? Absolutely valid, perfectly market structure shift over here. Did it made any parabolic gap over there for sell? No, it didn't. That means it's not giving you any opportunity to take sell. Let's see what happened. Market went to this. So what you have missed? Maybe you were looking for a sell setup. Market didn't give you the sell setup. Trust me. If you can mark the liquidity and if you can mark the bearish or bullish parabolic gap from 15-minute chart most of the time, and if you can wait for the perfect market structure shift parabolic gap, you most of the time, 85% of the time, market will never let you take entry, wrong entry. That means you are looking for sell, market will never give you the opportunity to take sell. 80 to 85% of the time, market will never give you the opportunity to take the sell if market would love to go higher. Market will talk to you. Market will let you know that is it a good setup or not. 80 to 85% of the time, brother. Trust me or not. I don't care about you. You trust me or not. I can prove that every single time. I have done that lot of time. Just I told you to wait for the perfect. Let me show you if I can get someone. Hindsight I really don't like, so it's better if you just watch some video I have already uploaded about the 50-minute parabolic gap and 1-minute parabolic gap. Just watch them, learn from them, wait for them. This is how you can wait for the perfect setup. So work with one model. If you can work with one model, you are going to be, at least you will be able to withdraw some money. Okay, at the beginning, what else do you need? You don't need million of dollar where you are not able to get $100 withdraw. You are not going to get $100 withdraw, man. You are just dreaming for $1,000,000. Is that logical? I don't think so. It's not logical. So first try to withdraw at least $500. Target $500 you will withdraw from your trading by 1 month. Just $500. Any kind of prop firm. Okay, I'm not suggesting prop firm. Don't think that I'm affiliated by prop firm. Nothing at all, man. Just for example, okay, stay with one model that will help you to withdraw some money. Later you will be the boss when you will know that losing is nothing. Losing trade is absolutely nothing. Some days are bad. You will keep losing trade. entry. When you will understand that, now you don't understand that. I don't give a shit if you tell me that, oh man, I know that I will take a losing trade. I don't believe you, because I didn't think like that way. When I started trading, everyone told that you have to take the losing trade. And when I took that losing trade, my mind gun blow. What? I took a losing trade? Let's take another entry. Another losing trade? Or this is bullshit. It's not going to work for me. To be honest, man, every one of us know that losing trade is the part of this game, but no one is ready to take that. No one. If you tell me that you are ready to take that, I don't believe you. No one is simply ready to take that losing trade. So what you can do, you can eliminate the losing trade. Not all of them, but most of them. How can you eliminate the losing trade from your trading? Just following one rule. Any kind of one model, okay? Any kind of model you can trade. I have no objection for that. But if you ask me, I will say just depend on 15-minute bearish parabolic, 15-minute liquidity, 15-minute, uh, I mean, everything from 15-minute. Don't hold your trade from 1-minute chart. Don't hold your trade for the 50-minute liquidity. Instead, close your trade from 1-minute liquidity or 1-minute last parabolic. Just keep doing that, and just target that you will withdraw at least $500 by 1 month, not by 1 day, not by 1 week, not by one, I mean, sorry, not by 1 month or one week or 1 day. Okay, you will withdraw $500 by 1 month, just 1 month, $500, man. Just imagine how many prop firm or evil account you will be able to buy that $500. Simply that $500. How many evil account you will be able to buy? Simple, man. You are targeting too much. I need to earn $5,000 by 1 week, 5 days. Within 5 days, I have to earn $5,000. So every day, my target is $1,000. Oh, it's too much. Okay, let's let it go. Let's target $2,500 by 1 week. So 5 days, $2,500. Every single day, $500. Brother, $500 is nothing. In NQM or Nasdaq, $500 per day is nothing at all. What, do you understand what you are expecting? In 1 month, you are expecting $10,000. $10,000. You are a beginner. Is that logical, man? At your beginning, you were expecting that $10,000 by 1 month. Are you kidding me? Everyone will come to trading, man. If it's going to happen, everyone is coming. Every single person is coming. Whatever I'm telling you, trust me, you will forget everything. You will forget everything when you will trade real money or something. Because $500, target $500 for 1 month, it's not it's not cool, man. Even if you think about the prop firm, they told that you have to get at least $200 5 days in a row, right? For top step, $200 5 days, then you will be able to withdraw $500. Still, they are giving you 1 week, just 5 days for that $500. Can you understand why they are giving you that? They're not giving you the real money, man. You are doing the, this simulated money, paper money. You are trading through their paper money. If you can able to get the profit, then they are going to pay you from their pocket. Why they are going to do that? Because they know if they give you the target $1,000, just $1,000, $200 a day, you will be very hurry, because you know that after 5 days you will be able to withdraw at least $500, and that's nearly impossible. At the beginning, that's nearly impossible. That's why they gave you that. Trust me, man. I just don't know how to make it more sure. I mean, more easier for you, brother. To be honest, I really don't know. If you expect more, I have to take the entry. I don't care about anything. I have to take the entry. So what I will do, I will take sell here, take buy over there, take buy over there, take buy sell over there. I don't care about anything. This every move I have to catch. Oh, this run I missed, so I will sell over there. I'll close it over there. Keep doing this. Just keep doing this, man, and keep coming to my boring life every single day. I don't have any problem, man. If you watch my live, I will get some money from there. Okay, from YouTube. No, no, I know it's not huge, but still, I'm getting money. I don't need you to my life. I am requesting you, please don't come back to my life. Please don't come back. All you have to do is you have to earn some money, man. Please earn some money. The easiest way to earn money is to just put your target very small. Make sure that $1,000 is coming from 1 month, not by 5 days, not by 5 days, just 1 month. At your beginning, do that. 1 month, try 1 month, withdraw some money. If you can do that continuously, if you can do that continuously, 1 month, just $500, or maybe maximum $1,000. Okay, just 1 month, $1,000. If you can do that, use the copy trade, maybe in Apex, maybe in Top Step, maybe in another prop firm. Use the copy trade, or maybe your own fund. Can you imagine? $500 by 3 account, it's going to be $1,500. 1 month, $1,500. Now, first for you, maybe $1,500 is nothing. At your beginning, when you are not able to withdraw not even $100, there you will be able to $1,500. Can you imagine? Then make sure that your 50K combine turns into 150K combine. When it is 150K combine, your 500 will turn into 1,500. One account 1,500, three account 4,500. Not huge. Slowly you will get confident, man. Very, very, very confident. Then you will be able to take inversion fair value entry, breaker block entry, water block entry, uh, optimal trade zone entry, market mover X model, every kind of entry you will be able to do. At the beginning, keep trading to the easiest model. So thanks for joining to my live, guys. I hope that I got some subscriber. Yeah, 5684. Even after all of this boring bullshit lecture, I'm sorry for that, brother. Today's price action and yesterday's price action, what is going to be happen, I told that in my weekly analysis video. You can watch them. I told that before CPI, nothing is gonna clear what is going to happen. So far, I can see that tomorrow CPI, this sell side liquidity will be triggered. So keep that in your mind that CPI is going to take that sell side liquidity. That's my initially that's my expectation. Okay. So until the next session, so tomorrow maybe I'll be little earlier before 8:30, maybe around 8 a.m. New York local time. Don't forget to give me a like, a simple thumbs up, okay? And if you're new, just subscribe to my channel. Thank you, Peter. I'm sorry, brother, I didn't read your comments, guys. I'm very sorry, okay? So yeah, so see you guys, see you tomorrow. Until then, cheers.